right. So camera is better than last time, I guess. So that's good. Pretty good, my friend. Pretty good. All right, so we're now live on YouTube. Perfect. Excellent. Let's get this thing going. Oh, what's up with that? Oh, here we go. All right. All right, bon matin, Kenny. Bon matin, tout le monde. So before I go check your charts, let me bring this mic closer to me here. All right. So sound is good. Image is good, guys. Yes, no? I guess. Hopefully. Hopefully I'm not talking to myself. Can you guys hear me? Shit. 1, 2, test check. 1, 2, 1, 2. You guys hear me? Uh-oh. Nobody's answering, so I guess nobody hear me. Can you guys hear me? Est-ce que vous m'entendez? 1, 2, test check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test, test, test. Okay. Thank God we got Michael on YouTube, because I think all the Zoom people is sleeping. Holy crap. All right. All right, so let's get going. First thing first, I need a little bit of water. Alright, so bienvenue à tous sur le live stream Trade with the Pack. Donc c'est un stream qui est franglais, donc on va passer de français à l'anglais, de l'anglais en français. Donc inquiétez-vous pas, vous allez rien manquer. On va essayer de traduire tout ce que ça prend. So guys, if you're first time here, welcome. Yes? Okay, so if it's your first time here, welcome on our Trade with the Pack live session. You'll hear me bouncing from French to English. Don't worry, don't freak out. I'll be translating pretty much everything, just trying to help the most people as possible. So if you have a question, you can send your question in the chat. If you want us to take a look at your chart, you can send your chart and we're going to take a look at it. Just don't say, take a look at this, take a look at that. Just send your chart and we'll take a look at it. All right? Donc, bonjour à tous. Oh, you guys can hear me? Oh, okay. 1, 2, test check. Oh, okay. So I guess YouTube was hearing me, but not you guys because I was muted on Zoom. So sorry. So that's why Zoom P was not answering me. Okay. So let me do this again. So rewind the cassette. Alright, donc recommençons. Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. Donc si c'est votre première fois ici, vous allez m'entendre passer de français à l'anglais. Inquiétez-vous pas, vous n'allez rien manquer. Je vais essayer de traduire le plus possible toute l'information. On essaie d'aider le plus de monde possible. Si vous voulez qu'on regarde à quelque chose de spécifique, que ce soit une paire spécifique ou un setup spécifique, faites pas juste dire regarde ça. Envoyez un chart. Envoyez un chart pour on va le regarder. Alright, so if it's your first time here, guys, welcome. Trade with the Pack session live. So basically, if you want us to take a look at something, just say don't take a look at this, or don't take a look at this. Just send a chart. All right, just send a chart, well-labeled chart, and we're gonna be able to help you out. So I'll be bouncing from French to English. Don't worry, you're not gonna be missing anything. I'll try to translate pretty much everything, trying to help the most people as possible. All right, so let's jump into this new session. We are January 20th, so on est le 28 janvier. Let's get going. Donc on va commencer par le chart du mois. Donc si on regarde sur le chart du mois, présentement on est dans un trend. Présentement le trend majeur est bearish, mais on a brisé cette tendance-là. Okay? Donc présentement, on s'en va vers un trend bullish si cette si cette chandelle ferme en haut de 142,500, on va vraiment avoir un changement de direction. So basically the main direction here is bearish, but as you see, We broke 142,500, and that means we are having a change of direction if this monthly candle close over here. So if this monthly candle close over here, we're probably going to start going bullish after for next month. But right now, so far, I mean, everything is on the past 3 months been bullish, right? So looking at the weekly, all right, looking at the weekly, I mean, we're fully bullish right now. Like I said, we broke that bearish structure that we had over here. So now we're coming back as a bullish trend. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart de la semaine, on avait un trend qui était bearish. Maintenant, on a eu un changement de direction vers le haut. Donc, maintenant, on est en mode bullish sur la semaine. So this weekly candle broke previous high, respected previous low. So technically, we should continue up and we should be ending this candle in the blues. It might be a little lower, I mean, but it should be blue, right? Donc, techniquement, cette chandelle-là a fermé, pas fermé, pardon, mais a brisé le haut précédent. Guys, when you're coming on YouTube, please mute yourself. That'll be very helpful. Donc, si vous rentrez sur YouTube, faites juste vous mettre sur mute, s'il vous plaît. Okay, hold on. So, I don't know. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Mute. Oh. All right, so everybody's muted. So, man, I had a good rhythm now. You guys broke that rhythm. Okay. So, all right. So, what I was saying. So, basically, this candle broke previous high, respected previous low. Technically, we should continue up. And this weekly candle that's going to close tomorrow should be closing bullish technically. Okay. But we might flip at the last second, create a resistance here to start coming down for next week. For 2 weeks before, after that, start pushing back up. So, that's something that's really possible also. On the daily now. So, that's usually where I really start to look at my stuff, because I mean the weekly and the monthly are really like long term, right? So we are more intraday and scalp. But if you guys are swing traders, don't worry. I mean, what I do is exactly the same thing you're gonna do, but based on daily, weekly, and monthly time frame. So you be taking the entry based on the same thing, but just on a high time frame. Donc principalement, si vous êtes un swing trader, inquiétez-vous pas. Tout ce qu'on est en train de parler présentement, lorsqu'on va parler d'entrée sur les 30 minutes, 1 heure et 4 heures, vous allez faire la même chose sur les daily, weekly et monthly. C'est la même stratégie. All right, so looking at the daily right now, I mean, yesterday we closed bullish, but with a huge rejection at 142,750 around there. So now this candle started to go up at first, printed that top wick, and now it's start to come down. So I will not be surprised for this candle, especially that we already broke. I mean, we just broke previous low. So technically, this candle today should go bearish. Okay. Donc aujourd'hui, on devrait aller du côté de la tendance baissière. Pourquoi? Parce que cette chandelle-là a commencé à faire sa wick vers le haut, sa mèche vers le haut, et est venue par en bas briser le bas précédent, donc le creux précédent. Donc techniquement, cette chandelle-là aujourd'hui devrait finir du côté bearish. Et je ne serais pas surpris qu'on ait une tendance baissière aujourd'hui. Because as you see, price to continue up. Here we go. So price, as you see, price to continue up need to go up, down, up, down, up, and down, and we're gonna continue like this, right? So that's something I'm looking at. Donc pour les gens français, donc quand un prix est en mode haussière, le prix doit aller vers le haut, créer un bas pour prendre un élan, remonter vers le haut, faire un bas, faire un autre haut et venir faire un nouveau bas pour continuer vers le haut. Donc c'est quelque chose auquel je regarde présentement. Alright, so now let's go to the 4 hours. 4 hours chart, it's there where it's on that chart that I will start drawing my zone basically. Okay, so as you see, we have this zone over here. okay, and this zone over here, this resistance and this support. This is a major zone in 4 hours. As you see, we just broke, sorry, we broke, Jesus, give me 1 sec. Okay. So Zoom didn't have the right mics. I was muting myself with my mic, but you guys heard me still because I was on my AirPods. But now it should be fixed. All right. So sorry. Let's get back to the 4 hours. All right. So looking at 4 hours right now, I mean, we broke this zone. We closed right at this zone, right? I mean, technically the zone is to the wick, right? So basically we didn't broke it, but you know, and we're coming back up now. So we rejected the zone and come back up. So if we close this 4 hour in this range, I mean, we got to be very careful because this is going to be like a mess over here. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart de 4 heures, principalement, cette chandelle-là ici est venue vers le bas, rejetée, et maintenant, ça regarde comme qu'on va continuer vers le haut. Si on ferme en haut ici, je vous dirais que ça va être vraiment, vraiment le bordel. Ça sera pas très plaisant comme session si on reste dans cette zone-ci. Maintenant, voyons voir sur le 1 heure. So looking at 1 hour. Now, all right. So looking at 1 hour. All right, so we got this resistance over here. We got this zone over here. So this is for me here. If you look, if price come back over here, I mean, this is a 25 pip range. And we got this QP here at 142,500 right in the middle. I don't really like it. For me, I'm not going to be looking for a trade in this zone. Okay, so I'm just going to write that for everyone. That's going to be clear. But I can help you and see if there's possible entry over there. But personally, I will not be looking for entry. Not looking for entries in this zone. All right. So that's for me personally. I'm 4 on 4. Right now I got 4 winners in a row this week, so I'm not looking to get a loser, right? So I'm going to be very picky on my entry today. It will be very nice to have a perfect week. And yeah. So let's see. All right, so looking at 1 hour here. I mean, of course, if you know what, looking at this now, if this candle closed back in the range like this, it's pretty good. It's gonna be pretty good. I think we're gonna be able to retest that. Yeah. Yep. Looking at it actually. Okay, let's finish with the 1 hour and we'll go again. All right. So basically 1 hour right now, I mean, we don't know what to do, right? Personally, sells would be amazing under this zone, you know, and that's what I called yesterday on my Forex talk over here. If we go under here, which is 142,250, under 142,250, it's going to be amazing sell, okay? Amazing sell. So let me put that here because we got clean traffic to the left side, right? So looking for sell under 142 to 50. All right, so I guess that's clear, right? And buys, of course, buy is going to be above looking for buy above 142,750. 142,750. All right, so I guess that's clear, right? All right, so let's jump on the 30-minute chart. So basically, looking at 30 minutes, it's almost the same as the 1 hour. I mean, right now, I mean, we played in this goat shit range. Oh yeah, let me put this here. Goat shit. So goat shit. There we go. All right, so we played in this goat shit. I like to call it like that. And now we're coming back in this range here. So yeah, if we need to get out, either up or down, but we need to get out of this zone because I mean it's nothing good right now. Donc personnellement, je regarde pour des achats en haut de 142 750. If we form a nice support like around like 142 700, that can something also I'll be looking. Donc, je regarde présentement des achats pour en haut de 142 750 ou peut-être autour un support autour de 142 700. Je regarde pas aucun entrée dans cette zone-là ici, juste parce que même s'il y a 25 pips, c'est serré. Là. À moins qu'on forme vraiment un beau support ici, là, qu'on ait vraiment beaucoup de place. The only way I'll be looking for a trade in here is if we form support right at this previous support, right? So we have enough range. But if not, it's not something I'm going to be looking at. This is goat shit. Donc ici, c'est vraiment la merde. Je vais pas trader là-dedans. Mais par contre, les ventes en bas de 142, 250 vont être excellentes. Donc, I would love for price to go either up above 142, 750 or 142, 250. Under that, and we're going to have a great session. But we gotta see, and we gotta be very, very, very patient again. So this week was really hard on patience, to be honest. So don't forget when you're joining Zoom, if you can go jump on YouTube very quickly, give a like to the stream. That'll be very cool. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to give a like to the stream. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me remove that smash button. Yeah. Okay. Oops, what I did here. Okay, perfect. All right, so I guess this is it. Donc, voyons voir ce que le marché va nous apporter aujourd'hui. Voyons voir. Okay, let's see questions here. All right. We have a chart here from Kenny. He actually sent it he sent it at 5:31, so that was quick. So, very nice label chart here, Kenny. Donc, très beau chart, Kenny, très bien indiqué. So, let's see here. Minor support create. This is GJ 30 minute. Okay. Minor support created in Asian. Okay. Wait the candle close above this resistance. When the candle close, Oh, okay. 3 impulse entry if break this high. This high? Oh, this high. Okay. Clean traffic in 1 hour. So I guess you got stopped out, right? Oh no, you didn't break it. Okay, you didn't break it. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that can work. If you look at 1 hour, and actually, we just broke it now. Oh yeah, we broke it. So you probably took your impulse right now. So if you took your impulse right now, you're probably like, what? You're 6 pips in profit. And yeah. Yeah, just be very, very, very cautious of that QP. So it can wick up and reject. So don't be greedy. Make sure you secure your bag, right? Donc, sois pas avare. Fais sûr que tu vas sécuriser les profits autour de 10 pips parce que cette QP-là pourrait faire que cette chandelle-là va créer une mèche et rejette. Ça se peut qu'il continue aussi, mais il y a de grosses chances que ça soit rejeté. So be very careful there. On my side, I'm not taking any impulse entry this week. I'm in a challenge with myself. Donc, je suis dans un challenge avec moi-même. Je prends pas aucune entrée impulsive cette semaine. The only impulse entry I'll be looking at is during NY session. Not during NY session, sorry. For NY Open or NYC Open. And the only way I'm going to take an impulse is with the dogtail trade setup. And that's it. Except that, not touching any impulse. And the reason why is there's too many people trying to attempt impulse entry and they lose money because they see that on live stream with myself or other people, and they think that's the only way to have a winner, you know. But no, it's actually one of the it's super risky, you know. If you don't know how to use it, when to use it, why not to use it. So yeah, so be very careful with that. Donc soyez vraiment 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 prudent avec les entrées impulsives. Parce que la réalité, c'est qu'il faut savoir quand les utiliser, quand ne pas les utiliser, quand c'est le bon moment de les utiliser. Personnellement, il y a trop de gens qui perdent présentement avec les entrées impulsives. Il faut faire attention à ça. Okay, so let's see here. Learning to trade and getting some French lesson in. Love it. Yeah. All right. Whenever I took impulse entry, 80%, I got stop loss. I feel FOMO if I didn't take it. Yeah, that's exactly what I was talking about. This is the biggest problem right now out there. Um, Big question, Sasha, on Forex news. A red folder means the currency is going to drop price. Oh, no. No, 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 no. A red folder means a red folder like this means they are high priority news, you know. They can affect either the upside or to the downside, but it doesn't says it's gonna go bearish or go bullish, but it just say it's very important news, right? So if you go on Forex Factory, because I prefer Forex Calendar on my FX book, but if you look at Forex Factory, same concept. Red folder means very high impact news, basically, you know. La question était sur Forex Factory. Si tu regardes les dossiers rouges, est-ce que ça dit que le prix va aller à la baisse? Non. Un rouge, ça veut dire que c'est une nouvelle d'importance majeure. And basically, if you look at the news right now, we don't have much today. It's pretty quiet. All right. Let's go see more question. Big question. Okay, that's done. Danielle, all right. I'd rather hit B than miss a trade. Oh yeah, of course. But no, not of course. Sorry, I understood the right way. I mean, I prefer miss a trade. You know, I prefer miss a trade to hit B and pay commission for nothing. You know, so I prefer getting a safer entry, or getting an entry with a lower risk. So that's sometimes what I'll do, you know. So if I'm not 100% convinced, but I like the idea, I'll enter, but with a low risk entry, smaller risk entry. Pardon. Blah blah blah. So you guys talking to each other, that's perfect. But still safe entry. Take one trade. All right. Okay, Sasha, I've been noticing that every time the USD is in charge is in charge, GU is better to trade than GJ. Notice GJ faking out more than usual while GU is trending well. What are your thoughts on this? Maybe. To be honest, I never took a look at that because I focus mainly on GJ and GA. So maybe. D'ailleurs, on va aller voir GA. So we're going to go take a look at GA. Big question session, Forex news. Okay, that's between impulse and all right. Oh, Kenny, tu l'as pas pris. Okay, so Kenny didn't took it. But yeah, I mean you would getting close to 10 pips soon, I guess. Probably like at 7 pips right now. Thank a lot for the help. You're welcome. Walid. Alright, so let's take a look here. This is NZD USD. Alright. Let's see here. NZD USD. Close partials. Entered as price closed below support on a daily plus 4 hours. So yeah, this is the 4-hour chart. Okay, so you're gonna swing trade that? I guess? Probably. Yeah, so hopefully you secure profit here. And yeah, that's a pretty nice trade here. Pretty nice. But yes, this support seems strong. Of course, if this support breaks, now it's going to be melting. Because right now you had your change of direction over here, but looks like it was a fake out. It's going to continue down now. So, yeah, pretty good. Hey Sasha, first time here. What's the rules over here? About what? You can send your chart. We're gonna take a look at it. Just don't just ask like, can we go in a buy, or can you take a look at this? Can you take a look at that? Just send your chart, and except that you can ask pretty much any question, right? I mean, any smart question. Donc, Sasha, why buys above 750 and not 650? Oh, I'm talking about the area of 750. My main reason is the QP. I want to make sure I'm above the QP. But like I said, if I have a nice support form around around the previous support, around like 700, 650, whatever, if it's a nice solid support, yes, I might take a buy also. Donc, la personne demandait pourquoi en haut de 750. So, above 750 is safer. But if it's nice support over here, I'll take it. La personne demandait pourquoi au 750. 750, c'est plus sécuritaire. Mais si j'ai un beau support solide qui va se former autour de 700 ou 650, je pourrais prendre le trade aussi. Trade for the day. All right, let's take a look here. So GJ, 15 minutes. Oh, minor resistance, close above 15-minute. Entry when previous high was broken. Great. SL based on, okay. 80% taken and trade secure at 9 pips. Okay. Yeah, that's good. That's pretty good. 15-minute impulse entry are really risky. So it's very good that you secured your profit right away. Guys, how many setup do you take? Do you take trade? Only impulse and pullback? I personally don't take any impulse this week except for the dogtail trade setup. Outside of that, I look to a new high been broken, created, and retest of the high, and vice versa for bearish. And break of a consolidation, break and retest, so mostly that's what I'm looking at. Donc la personne demandait c'est quoi les setups qu'on regarde principalement. Principalement, ça va être les break and retest d'une zone, un nouveau haut qui a été créé, donc on doit retester le haut, ou encore le dogtail trade setup. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Okay, perfect. What is a dogtail trade setup? If I heard it correctly, yeah. It's me calling it like that, just like to keep the concept right. But basically, it's okay. Let me show you. So, let's say that I don't know. Well, yesterday I actually did one at NYC Open or whatever. So let's say that this candle start printing a bottom wick first. So let's say that this wick is not there yet. So it start creating that bottom wick. Let's say at 8:30, which is NY Open. and after that start going back up, break that high, I will entering on the break of this high. This is just for an example here. I'm not talking about taking an entry in this zone, right? This is just an example, okay? So yeah. Donc la personne a demandé c'était quoi le dogtail trade setup. Principalement, ça serait si une chandelle commence à imprimer la mèche vers le bas et par la suite brise le haut pendant l'ouverture du marché new-yorkais ou du marché des stocks, ok? Donc il est à 9h30. Donc, je parle pas de prendre une entrée ici, là. Ça, c'est juste un exemple, right? So that's what it is. Okay, let's go take a look at the question on YouTube. We know the rules and appreciate your help teaching. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. Thank you. What do you think about entering a short on GG at the break of the previous H1 low? I want to see a break and a resistance being formed, and I'll be selling. So, I guess someone is trolling me. Says, "Can you take a look?" Good morning, Ibrahim. Okay, so we answered that question already. If you finish your plan and the opportunity to trade shows after planning, but it's still before pre-US, would you trade it or wait for a new opportunity near US? If you finish your plan and the opportunity to trade show after planning, I'm not sure I'm getting the question. Still before pre-US. Yeah. I'm not sure I'm understanding correctly the question, but yeah, I'm not sure I'm understanding the question. Andrew is definitely trolling me. Andrew, man, can we buy now? Yeah, people are trolling me. You guys are funny. Okay. Good morning, Sasha. What are your impulse entry time? NY open or NYC open? Sasha, minimize Zoom session window. It's showing 2 windows. Really? Is it really showing 2 windows? No, I see only 1 window. Oh, 2 cameras, you mean? Hold on, wait a second. Where's my camera? It's over here. Oh, here we go. So I guess that maybe? Is that better? Alright, so next question. What is the full form of QP? The full form? I mean, this line is a full form. I don't know what you mean, bud. Maybe ask your question differently. I'm not sure I'm getting it. Don't forget, I'm not the smartest guy out there, right? So, Eric Brenna, did you send a link? We can see link due to YouTube restriction. So you have to send a trading. Oh yeah. So for people on YouTube, what you need to do to send chart, you need to press on this here, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna copy from this /X to the end. So that's how you're gonna send chart. So on YouTube, you just select from the backslash to the last backslash and you send it on YouTube. Okay, so Joanne, I was referring to timing of your trade plan. Okay, if you plan now, an opportunity show now, do you trade it or wait for later when volume is coming? Oh, no. I only take impulse entry when there's a lot of volume, but that's why I'm not taking any impulse. But if I've, let's say that this comes down and create a nice support over here, and it's before NY open and YC open, yeah, I'm gonna be able to take it because I know I know that NY Open is going to help me push and break that 500 and that zone also, and vice versa to the downside, right? So yeah, I don't have to wait for volume, but the great thing is when there's volume, it's gonna move faster. So yeah. So hopefully that answered the question. Kenny, peut-être que tu n'es pas le plus smart, mais le plus profitable. Merci. Je sais pas si je suis le plus profitable, mais ça va bien, ça va bien. Donc ça c'est beau, ça c'est beau. Joanne, okay, thanks. You're welcome, Yuan. Hopefully I said that right. And yeah, so at this point it's a waiting game again. I mean, this week's been so annoying, to be honest. Very, very, very delicate situation with GJ. So put this here and here. Okay, perfect. So you know what? Let's take a look at GA. I like GA. Oh man, oh man. Whoa, GA is rocking. Let's remove all this. Whoa, what happened here since yesterday? Wow. Whoa, look at this nice trend. Wow, that's beautiful. All right, so GA is definitely bullish. Oh wow, oh wow. Looking at monthly very quickly. Okay. This monthly broke previous low, so that's scary. Weekly is definitely crazy bullish. They broke previous high already, respected previous low. We got clean traffic to this zone here. So yeah, that looks good. Wow, that looks amazing. What the hell? Come on. Okay. Okay, so I guess that's gonna be a target for sure. And wow. So this is the 4 hour, 1 hour. So we got a resistance here. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice, my friend. Pretty nice. Look at this here. Let's adjust this zone. Oh, that's gonna be right on it. Look at this. See how those zones are very well respected. Let's put this one over here. And let's extend that to the right. And yeah. Oh, that looks pretty good. 30 minutes. 30-minute creating that miner. Wow, that's pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, wow. That's amazing. Right on it. All right, so to be honest, if I was looking at G, I would have probably taken this buy over here, even with this zone over here. But of course, the better setup would have been like around like 8:30 when there's volume to make sure we break this. But I mean, we have this nice support form in that golden zone, which is a fib rejection zone. It works great when price is trending, and it is trending right now. So I mean, if we come down lower actually and we push back up, I mean, next target's going to be around here. Yeah, just take a look at QPs very quickly. Settings. Coordinate. What did I did?
Doctor, can I say something?
You know what? I can look here too, because it's better for my neck. So this is the first. So that's how I draw my QPs basically. Very simple. So we're gonna go for 25 pips here. Oh yeah, let me put this one over here because this one's gonna be purple. And yep. And next one is gonna be 250 here. This one. Let's put 500. Right on it. And we've got 750 right here. All right. All right, all right. So that's good. Wow, man. Yeah, G looks amazing. Yeah, I'm kind of jealous. I want GJ like this. Oh man, come on, GJ, let's go. Let's go over 750. That'd be amazing. Okay. Let's see. QP. What people? Oh. Your screen's not showing for me. Anyone else gone? I'm pretty sure everyone has the screen, right? Hey Sasha, I think that guy who asked what is the full form of QP meant what is the word for QP instead of acronym. Oh, QP is quarter point. Yes. Yeah, quarter points. Do you look for 10 pips on GA as well since it's a bit more fast pair? Oh, GA is not faster than GJ. They pretty move the same, to be honest. Yeah, always look for 10, 11 pips. AUD, NZD are moving along with US 30 and S&P. Not so sure about that. I don't think there's no real correlation here. All right, take care, guys. I'm out. Stay disciplined. Good luck. Thank you very much, Shen. Have a great day. Oh, look at this guy was sleeping late. And he's muted. Donc, QP like, oh yes, 0, 500, 750, 250, yes, they are QP, quarter points. Yeah, they are psychological levels. So basically, when people trade in the institutional level, they will say, I'm going to get in, let's say, at 142 or 142, 250. They will not say, I'll get in at 142, 653. No, they're going to choose round numbers, right? So, non fil. So yeah, donc les niveaux psychologiques, les quarter points, c'est ça, ça bouge par chiffre, par coup de 25 pips, donc 142, 142, 250, 142, 500, etc. Parce que pourquoi? C'est que les institutions, quand les gens trade en institution, Ils vont dire je vais entrer à 142 ou à 142 250. Ils vont pas dire je vais rentrer à 142 657. T'sais, ils vont pas dire ça. Ils vont toujours utiliser des niveaux euh, ronds qu'on appelle. Puis pourquoi le quarter point? C'est un petit peu comme 25 sous, 50 sous, 75 sous. Qui s'amuse à faire des dessins? Là? Who's drawing? Alright, so I guess, yeah, thank you. Next time you're getting kicked, man. um, okay, so Sasha, in 2 hours before GG break and Flays, I promised 80% of trader to cancel sells and got stop loss. Oh yeah, oh yeah. There's a ton of people here when it broke over here. Oh man. Yeah. I don't want to laugh if you did it, guys, but I know for a fact there's a shitload of people who took entries right there. Um, and this is a big no, especially at this time. So yeah, no. If that candle, this one would have closed like right around here, I think that would be nicer for entry. Take entry right there and you can go up, because you got your support being formed and this candle closing back in this range. The only thing you got to be very careful is this level. But yeah, except that, it might be something possible. But like I said, I'm not looking at anything around here. I'm 4 in 4 this week, so I want to keep my stats really good. I want a perfect week, basically. So, hopefully. Um, Phil, je sais pas si t'essaies de me parler, mais clairement, je t'entends pas. Peut-être c'est moi qui est pas correct aussi. Ok, attends un peu. Laisse-moi enlever ça, bon. Peut-être c'est moi qui est pas correct. Ça se peut, la dernière fois, ça avait fait ça avec Zoom. So. Essaye donc, là. Non, je t'entends pas. Let me see here. Sound. No, it's. I don't know. That's weird. Let me see. Oh, no, microphone here. Oh, I see now. Now it's gonna work.
Yeah, is it?
Ouais, là, ça marche.
Oh, I see. Everybody's talking for the past 5 minutes to each other.
So a lot of people. Oh, sorry, guys. So I guess.
Oh,
So it's cause on Zoom. I don't know why my setting was changed, but on Zoom my speaker was set for my mic. So my mic doesn't have a speaker, right? So I guess I had my AirPods um, all morning long for nothing. Yeah, thanks. Sorry about that. About that, guys. Um. Oh, yeah. Someone's listening to the stream at the same time. Also, that's funny. Um. So, guys, if you're on YouTube right now or on Zoom, don't forget to go give a like to the stream. That'll be very helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Oh, I guess I'm gonna mute everyone. Okay, let's mute everyone. And if you want to talk, just unmute yourself. All right. Um, so if you want to talk, you can unmute yourself. But I had some background noise, so I had to mute everyone. But again, you're more than welcome to come, jump, and open your mic if you want to have a chat. Donc, all right, so that's good. That's good. All right, we're getting there. 23 likes. All right, getting there, guys. Come on. Let's get to let's get to 50 before the end of the stream. 50 likes. That'll be great. Um all right. So, man, GA look amazing. What the hell? Oh. Man, oh man. If this was like this can if this candle trade with the pack 666 abonnés, 666 subscriber, that's a dangerous number, man. That is so evil.
Yep, it's gonna be a bad day today.
Man, if this candle was like 8:30 or 8, I will be in this trade for sure. But it's too early for that kind of trade. Too bad. Too bad, so sad. So who's gonna screw up our 666 numbers? I'm sure there's someone who's gonna subscribe now and we're gonna turn to 667. So we need that.
I really unsubscribed. Well, subscribe.
So we need 667 or 668. If we have 666, it's gonna bring bad luck to this session. So make sure we at least get one more subscriber, right? Um, donc faites sûr d'aller vous inscrire là, parce que là présentement on est à 666 abonnés et vous savez ça porte malchance. Donc faudrait vraiment être à 667 ou 668. Um, GA, despite the previous high is so close. Yeah, yeah, I mean, that would have been my kind of setup if we were in a high volume period, but of course at this time it's still risky. Um, Also no top wick or hardly a top wick on previous candle. Yeah. Pull back to 664 and then we break 666. That's a good strategy. On YouTube, I have better image definition than Zoom. Is there any way to improve the Zoom image? I barely see your scale on the right. Huh. I don't know. Supposed to be the same. That's weird.
Looks fine on mine.
Yeah? Okay. So I guess Mike, you might have to play with your Zoom setting. Or just stay on YouTube. I mean, it's not bad. Just only like a 1 or 2 seconds delay, so it's not that bad. You could zoom in if it helps. The definition on Zoom might be bringing in a different Wi-Fi ping. Oh, Malcolm is really techie. Man, I don't know those shit. Hi Sasha, our trade. Hi Sasha, our trade now on GJ. I guess the question is, are we on a trade? No. No, GJ is I didn't took any trade on GJ yet. I'm being cautious because I have a perfect week so far, and I want to stay like that. So I think I need to go check in my journal, but I think that would be probably my first or second perfect week. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go check. But yeah, so I'm gonna be very cautious here. Very, very cautious.
Tu sais qu'avant, on voulait juste avoir un win, puis là, notre level, là, puis c'est rendu là, on est parfait.
Exact. Non, c'est fou, là. Ouais.
Wow, it's good.
Ouais. Ouais. À l'époque, c'était ça. C'était. On peut juste avoir un win cette semaine, ça va être correct, là. Juste une journée en bleu, tu sais. Back then, it was like this. It was like that. It was like, can we just have like a blue day? You know, it was just like, can we have at least one day in blue? And now we're looking for a blue week. You know, like after that, we look at blue week, and now we're looking at perfect week. You know, so it's leveling up, right?
Yep, trust the process.
Yep.
Good morning, Sasha.
Good morning. How are you, sir?
Anything crazy yet?
No, not yet. Super patient. Super patient, because I mean, this made no sense over here, and this is like 20 pip, but I don't know, just like there's so much traffic on the left. It's just like it's crazy, you know. So yeah, we got all this bullshit, and so yeah. Now, so I'm waiting for price to go either form a support, like very nice support around like 650, 700. That would be very nice, and of course, safer one's gonna be above 750. But yeah, around there for buys and for sells under 250. I said that in my Forex talk over beer yesterday night. We did a little breakdown, and I was like, if sell goes under 250, that would make sense. But
Yeah, I was there last night. I saw price. I took the same thing that you said yesterday.
yep,
All those candles rejecting 250.
yep.
So I caught my buy at 142, 280.
Oh yeah,
So
that's good.
yeah, so
I was
it was
just
just an
about to say, yeah, that's good.
yeah, it was just an idea of where I was like, okay, Sasha said we're rejecting this area here. Just take a nice little low risk buy and see what happens.
Yeah.
There you go.
You know what? That was if I was awake at 4 a.m., but I was sleeping, yeah. If I was awake at 4 a.m., I would have entered right here, to be honest.
Yeah,
You know, because even if it's this goat shit, I mean, even if we form support here, I know we can do that, right? And we can expect price to go up. So that was something. But after this, I mean, when I entered the market, it was like on this candle. So now for me, it was goat shit, you know. So, but yeah, at this stage, man, that's great. That's amazing, you know, because you can expect price to do the same thing. So always look to the left, guys, to give you hints on what price can do, because price will look to the left, and you know, more often than never. What's the expression? Plus souvent que jamais.
more often than not.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you. You know the Franglish trying to process, right? So, but yes, it will happen, and try to mirror the exact same move. So that's something. And that's why yesterday I took that buy, because I saw price do that. Right? It was like, where was it? I think it was right here, right? Yeah, right here.
Yeah, so yeah,
Yeah. So, and if you swipe to the left, oops, swipe to the. God damn it! Can I just have my mouse, please? There we go. So if you look to the left, you know, you got the same thing over here, right?
yeah. I think even a support around like if we get a support around 500, we probably get a nice move up again.
Yep, yep. Yeah, again, if support is formed, and you know, all depends of timing, you know. So it all depends of timing. If it's like 8 or 8:30 and we form support around here, that's something different. I might be starting to look at something, because I know volume can break those minor
Yeah,
resistance, right? So
yeah. We should have momentum as well. Like look at that big candle. It's
yep,
nice and juicy.
yep. If you look at 1 hour, 1 hour is so much cleaner. Let me remove this.
Yeah,
So much cleaner on 1 hour. Just I love 1 hour. Just like
yeah. My other entry was because of that 1 hour. I looked at 1 hour and saw the wick coming down after the bullish candle printed. So I was like, okay, if this wick is not passing below, we might as well just catch it back up and yeah, there
yeah,
was no
Yep. Yeah, it's good. So you see, three exact same setup, you know.
The only thing that struck me with last year was you see the way they were lower supports on 1 hour.
Yep.
Like supports looked like they were going lower, but yeah, that put me off a bit, and I was like, okay, we probably broke a bit too low.
Mm-hmm. I see. I see. I
So
see.
I wanted to keep like a low risk
Yeah,
trade.
that's fine. But the other hints was like it was sitting on 250.
Yeah, exactly.
So
Yeah,
since it was sitting on 250, I'll be like, meh. You know what?
yeah. Plus the daily looked like it broke the low, the previous low, but
Yeah.
if you look left on the daily, there was so many rejections in the past.
Yeah. And the fact that this candle tried to go lower, but push back up and close over here was like, oh yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah.
So yeah, boy. Oh, look at this! Look at this! Look at this! GA. So I think if GA breaks here, and we do that same thing, create a high, come back, create support, I think that's gonna be great because GA is trending very well right now. Just like it's trending super bullish. Look at this. It's beautiful. Beautiful. But at one point, price gonna have to come down to continue up, right? So gotta watch for this. Hello Sacha, c'est Albert le Zoulou. Hey, bonjour Albert. Bonjour Albert, bonjour Albert. Um, can't hear what Zoom laggers are saying. Oh, yeah, I still didn't have time to figure this out. But I guess you're probably gonna hear them a little bit because sound should come in the mic. But yeah, I know it's not perfect, but I'm gonna be trying to look at this as soon as I'm done recording the course. I'm gonna have more time to spend on YouTube and trying to find the solution for that. But right now, my main focus is getting the recording done for the course. Yeah, you gotta focus on stuff, you know. Man, if you watched Forex talk over a beer from yesterday, I think I went a little crazy. Yeah. At the end, I think I was feeling like felt like bitch slapping people. Um, no, I think it was a great talk, you know, because there's people asking me questions sometimes, and or I talked about because there's people saying, oh yeah, I'm ready to put money in my Forex account, right? So 500, 200, 1,000, whatever it's the amount. I'm like, oh, that's awesome, man. What's your strategy? Who's your mentor? I mean, where did you try? Where did you learn trading? Right? So it's like, oh, I'm learning by myself. So I'm like, oh, nice. Let me send you my bank account number. So you just deposit money in my bank account because you're gonna lose it. You know,
Yeah.
you're just gonna lose it. It's like, yeah, but when I'm gonna double up that account, I'm gonna buy a course and I'm gonna grab a mentor. Oh, okay. So basically, that's what you're saying is you want to win Olympic medals, gold medals.
And not a coach.
Once you win your Olympic medals, that's where you're gonna hire a coach.
Yeah.
I don't want to break your dream, dude, but it's not gonna happen.
Ça ferait pas de sens, man.
So you gotta invest in yourself first, you know. And that's my same speech I had from 3 years ago. You know, it's not because I'm building a course like that. I don't give a shit. You know, it's the same freaking speech. You know, it's just like for me, I would and will not use the word spent. I invested in myself for thousands of dollars. You know, so I mean, just I don't know. Anyways, that's another subject. Um, all
Mais
right.
comme Roger il dit, le market il va faire plus mal, tu sais, quand il slap du monde,
Ah ouais, 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 voilà, c'est
pas
ça.
le market
Ah ouais, non, c'est sûr. Là. Si t'es pas prêt à investir en toi, je veux dire, oublie ça, là, ça sert à rien.
Mettons, tu sais, pense même si tu veux, mettons, là, mettons, tu veux le faire à moitié, là, le DVD à John McAfee, là, c'est le basic, mon gars.
Ben oui,
Genre, 150$, là,
ben oui,
genre.
ben oui.
Si t'as pas
Mais
150$ pour toi, là, je pense pas de trading pour toi, parce que t'as pas l'argent disponible pour trading. Fait que,
your first deposit should not be higher than what you invested in yourself. Ton premier dépôt dans un compte live devrait pas être plus gros que qu'est-ce que tu as investi en toi-même. So that's how I think, you know. Anyways, yeah. Do you just use price action? Any indicators? Purely price action. Sometimes you'll see me draw fibs, like on GA, um, place my fibs just to see where price might create a support, like around here, and after that remove it because this is just an indication, right? This is a hint, you know. I don't trade based on that, but that's a hint. So I like to have hints on the market, and that's it. But all the rest, I don't use. Um, those funky lines going up and down on your chart. I don't know. I don't even know how you call this. SMAs, I think, something like that, or trend lines, or volume indicators. It's cute though. When you have volume indicators, it's really cute. You get colors on your chart. It gives you like kind of a portrait, a very nice scenery, right? So maybe it helps you, you know, enjoying your screen more. I don't know. Um, I don't know if you don't know when's volume in the market, man. And you need an indicator for that. I don't know. Just like yeah. Guys, mute yourself if you have a background noise at the back. Oh, someone is listening to Raja. Um, so I mean, you can look at candles and see when there's volume. Look at this. So okay, so let's play a game here since we have time. All right. So, do you think there were volume in the market based on this candle? No. That's huge volume in the market. So, do you think there was volume in the market based on this candle? No, you can see volume just by the size of candle printing. So you don't need an indicator for that. Euh, donc, pas besoin d'un indicateur. La personne demandait si je trade avec des indicateurs. Non, je trade principalement juste le price action, mais j'utilise plusieurs outils. So basically, I use a lot of tools though, okay? So, and I have a lot of knowledge about many other stuff that help me understanding the market. So that's something. That's something else. Um, and I think when you put everything all together, that's where you have success. I think you need many other knowledge. Like, qu'est-ce que je m'en allais dire, non? Tu riais-tu de ça? Non? Ah, c'est beau. Oh, Val est back. Come on, man. T'es allé la recruter, là, hein? Val est back. Shit. Oh, Val is back. What's up? How you doing, girl? C'est bon, ça. Back at it. Bon, nice, nice. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right. So let's see here. Je vous joins sur Zoom dans 5 minutes. Parfait, parfait, Albert. So guys, if you're on Zoom right now, just jump quickly on YouTube. Go give a like to the stream. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to give a like to the stream. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, let's put that smash button. Smash that like button.
On a besoin de subscribers aussi parce que 666, ça peut pas rester de même toute la journée.
Ouais, non, 666, ça va nous porter malchance, là. C'est.
Non, 6 5, ouais, je me suis pas.
so, so we need at least one more subscriber to get out that 666 number. It's gonna give us bad luck.
Let me see here.
So. All right, so that's good. Good. All right, so we're up to date. So guys, if you want us to take a look at your charts, send it on YouTube. You need to send. You cannot send the full link, but you need to press on your camera here on TradingView, and you just select. You copy paste from the X to the end, and that's it. Donc, si vous voulez envoyer votre chart sur YouTube, vous ne pouvez pas envoyer le lien complet. Vous devez cliquer sur votre caméra, aller à la fin, copier seulement la partie de la barre oblique avec le X jusqu'à la fin, puis vous pouvez le coller dans le chat. Oh, James, what you mean by goat shit? Oh, goat shit. I mean, this is shitty place to trade. It was actually a great place to trade if you were looking at the market earlier, like I was talking just a couple minutes ago about. Like if I was awake like at 4 a.m., I would have entered right here, because I know that this is replicating this over here, and if you look further on the left, we had the same concept right here, right? So. But yeah, but when I came to the market, it was like 5. So it was price was right here, and at this point, it's like it's goat shit. It's just like it's shitty place to trade.
J'aimerais peut-être ça short si on forme une résistance ici, mais j'ai comme cette zone-là direct d'en face, puis ça me gosse un peu.
Ouais, j'y ai pensé aussi, mais je suis pas willing le matin.
Ouais. On verra. Il reste 15 minutes.
Yeah, 15 minutes left into this 30 minutes. So if this close bearish, we are forming resistance.
Si on close en dessous de 0.500 aussi, ça va être.
Well, no, if we close under, yeah, you're right, Mark. If we close under 500, I mean, it can be a short opportunity to, let's say,
Yeah.
I don't know.
L'espace, c'est clean.
Ouais, si on se base sur la Sherman.
Ouais, based on H1, it's cleaner. Actually, this, to be honest, this now, since this broke with no problem, this is your most recent traffic, right?
Yeah,
So you gotta keep this in mind, but technically, we should be able to come back down with no problem. Yeah, you know what?
si on respecte les lows et les highs.
That makes sense now.
Parce que là, on est vraiment dans le bas de la petite consolidation. Là,
Ouais.
ici. Ah, check les avec ces petits dessins.
Yep. That looks
Close en bas de 500 d'eau. But yeah.
yeah, that looks great.
Moi, je vais lower high, lower low.
Ouais. No, it makes sense. Definitely makes sense.
À gauche, là.
This trade idea is brought to you by Mark the Stash.
Yeah, let's see. We're gonna do the wheelchair.
Instagram sont sur ta page.
On dispatch a fix.
All right. So let's take a look at GA again. Oh man, I knew it. Man, I'm starting to know GA more and more now.
Yeah.
That's a perfect witch.
Oh man, that was beautiful. Man. Oh, man. But I'm not taking impulse entry this week.
Mais t'aurais pu entrer au close dans le fond.
Ouais. Ouais, non. Définitivement, si c'était pas. Ouais, c'est ça, mon seul problème, c'est qu'on est en tout du QP, puis en plus, on est dans une période où est-ce qu'il n'y a peut-être pas nécessairement le plus de volume non plus. Donc, ça faisait quand même peur, cette zone-là. Là. Mais si c'était 8h ou 8h30, c'est sûr que j'étais dedans. Euh, Bonjour, 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 Albert, ça va bien?
Oui, ça va et toi?
Ça va bien, ça va bien.
Ok, super.
Hey, tu te l'es fait dire hier, hein?
Pardon?
Tu te l'es fait dire hier, hein?
Ah ouais, ah ouais, ah
J'avais,
ouais.
j'avais le goût de dire, hey, calmez-vous les gars, là. C'est juste une question en français, là.
C'était un peu rough.
Ouais, c'était rough un peu, là.
Mais là,
Bon,
Ryzen,
l'essentiel,
il est un peu.
l'essentiel, si je prends l'information dont j'ai besoin, ça me va, ouais.
Exactement. Oh well, it is what it
Ouais,
is.
là, il est mean un peu des fois. Il n'y a pas
Ouais.
une mèche longue, là, ça avec écoute.
Au début d'année, je pensais qu'il avait changé un peu, hein, parce qu'il était un peu soft, mais maintenant, je vois qu'il
Non,
a
non.
repris.
Ouais, non.
Il a repris, ouais.
Hey Marc, enlève-moi donc tes lignes, là. Ça me porte malchance.
J'étais parti un peu à la hâte.
Alright, so let's take a look at this here. GJ. Okay, let's see question here. Good. How do you draw a fib? How did you draw the fib on GA? Presume that the golden zone there. Yes, correct. This fib was from the last push to last bullish push. So from bottom of this wick to top of the wick. So if you look on, whoops, what the hell I did. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so if you look on 1 hour, that makes sense, right? So actually, oh, yeah, so I guess that was like kind of right here. Here we go.
Mais c'était sick en chien, wow.
Hein?
En chien, c'était
C'était
beau.
parfait en
Ouais.
écoute.
Yeah, H1 was perfect. Shit, boy.
La week
Puis
est
même,
grave.
dans 2 semaines, on va jouer des 4 heures. Si on dit qu'à toi, on va se faire un time frame.
Check en daily sur GA. Non, mais pour vrai, il y
Ok.
avait un esti beau Wickfield à gauche hier. J'avais
Yeah, ah ouais, ça ici, ouais.
Ben non, plus attends.
Ouais, c'est hier, ça.
Celle-là ici, là.
Ah, ouais, ok, nice.
J'ai fait une contre-analyse contre un gars qui tradait en swing dans mon autre groupe, puis finalement, la route qui a été faite, puis il est top, là. Actually works.
Si ça me proud, il est ça propos de moi.
My problem these days with swing trade is just like there's so many stuff going on around the world that your fundamental analysis can go to the toilet like in a second. Just like it's brutal.
Oh,
So
there's a chart from
Christopher. All right, let's take a look. Blah 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 blah.
Ooh, wrong chart.
Waiting. This is what GJ 30 minutes. Okay, waiting for resistance to break. 5 minute rejection. 5-minute rejection, but also I'm looking for sell if it form a resistance this zone. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, we just talked about that. That would make sense. Waiting for sell position if it breaks.
La track là, ça tout de suite. Bon, je vais dessiner quelque chose. Check, on a impulsion, correction, impulsion plus basse, correction, on respecte
Yeah.
le high, fait que là, on devrait être capable de faire ça.
Yeah.
Parce qu'on fait des trucs de plus en plus bas aussi ici, malgré qu'on pousse, là.
Ouais. Yeah, that would definitely make sense.
Nous verrons.
That would make sense. That would make sense. We have what, 7 minutes left? Yeah, I think if this candle close bearish under 500, that would be a good indication the price will continue down at this point.
Yeah.
Especially if you look at 1 hour. I mean, respecting, like, for people that do those things. I don't know how you call those, but if you kind of do this, and kind of do this. Oh, look at this. Oh, you have like kind of a corridor, like a highway, like, oh, a channel. so all this is to make fun of Phil, you know. So. Yeah. 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 Might be tempting. Tempted, I mean. Yeah, let's open up. Just take a look at how big of a stop. That's what I'm looking at. It's like... Ah ouais, ça serait un classique pour cette semaine, pour être honnête, là. Ça serait vraiment un classique, là. Close with no wick, that would be horrible. Yeah, it's going to be H1 close, but it's going to be close. Oh, H1 just flipped bearish.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's good. Yeah. If that closed bearish, that's amazing. With that huge rejection to the upside, yeah, I think that now we're getting a lot of hints. So...
Go back up a little bit.
Mais ouais, c'est bon aussi parce qu'il est engulfing. So if it closes like this, of course, I would like a little retrace, like kind of around here, so we have at least a wick. And if it closes under 500, engulfing, this zone, I leave it there, but technically this is clean traffic, right? So this is clean traffic to this zone. This is the most recent traffic.
Yeah, but you gotta keep in mind that little
Yeah.
zone here.
Yeah.
With my interest.
That's interesting. Interesting. No, it's not perfect. The H1 just flipped bullish. We need H1 to close
Like a doji.
either doji or bearish.
Yeah.
Da, 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 da. James, how did you draw your...
Bientôt break le low de la M30.
Ooh, that's amazing. Now we need to retrace. Good, thank you. When is the course? I am aiming the launch of the course for first week of February, which is pretty soon. So technically this weekend, I'm hoping I'm able to finish recording all the videos. And somewhere in the first week of February, I should be able to release everything. So that's the plan.
Oh.
What a freaking rejection.
All right, so now it needs to retrace.
That's it.
Cause-
Stop loss.
Cause now it's getting just like retarded.
Ça va, ça.
Non.
Oh, c'est parti, hein.
Boy. Tu sais quand GJ comme veut juste te faire chier là.
Oh, yeah.
God damn.
There's no entry on this.
C'était une belle idée, par exemple. C'était une autre
It was it was a great idea. It was a very great idea. Now this idea is in the toilet, you know,
Down
down the
the drain.
drain.
Je l'avais dit, c'est le 666, là. Ça, c'est ça.
That's it guys. That's all on you guys. So you didn't subscribe to the channel, we're still at 666. That's exactly what happened. That's what Mark says. That's all on you guys. So we need at least 1 or 2 more subscribers. You guys can do that? Come on, man.
Faudra inviter Talking Option qui nous explique c'est quoi le 666 avec les
Ah, ça c'est drôle. Oh man, that was a really great idea. Dogtail. Okay, so let's see this question, Mike. Dogtail in H1, Sasha? Yes, but it's not in my NY Open time. So
It went down too much at this point. We can't.
20 pips de stop pour 30 pips de
yeah, that's crazy, man. Holy shit! What a flip, man! What a flip in the last like 4 minutes.
Les derniers 5 minutes en plus, là. C'est le chart. 5 minutes, boom.
That's crazy, man.
Check Ben Rajan a commencé à trader le 5 minutes sur DJ.
Il y a sûrement une queue sur Brady Lowe.
Ben là. Ah, ouais, peut-être.
Ouais, parce qu'en ben non, parce qu'il y avait pas de wick, ça.
Jesus.
Il y avait pas de wick. No wick at the bottom also. On the 50.
Yeah.
215 in a row.
30.
30 minute, no wick at the bottom. So, yeah, for me, there's a no trade deal here. No trade for me.
Mais je crois que ça va encore descendre, hein.
Yeah, c'est parfait. So, I'll wait. You know what? I'll wait. And it's going to be perfect. If this next candle can break, man, and close under here, that's going to be a safe sell. So, I'm not willing to risk in there.
Ben oui. Si on peut aller dans le clean traffic, là, jusqu'à 140.
Man, look at this. We got beautiful traffic to this minor zone here, but look at H1. H1 is super clean. So I mean, all the way down here.
H1 with no wick. Yee-hoo.
So that would be amazing. So 30 minutes. I mean, we got 2 little stop here. You know, we can secure profits over here, but I mean, phew, it can melt.
Ouais, les choix étaient tellement flip, là. Wow.
C'est que je l'avais call, man. Au moins, on a ça en live. C'est mon premier
Ouais.
call.
Ah, good job, Mark. Good job. Good job. Good call.
Des bars, là, qu'est-ce qui est.
Ben non, absolument, man. Absolument. Ça prend une moustache. Ça prend une moustache.
Après le stage.
Je sais pas pour les bases, mais une moustache, clairement.
Smash that like button.
Yes, that's right.
Yes, Zane.
I was going to say that 142, 250 level was very strong, so if it does close below that, that'll be even better because you got like 30 pips clean traffic in on the 1 hour.
Hold on, wait a second. Hold on. You talking about GJ or GA?
GJ.
Okay, okay. So repeat that. Sorry.
So the 142, 250
Yeah.
is a very strong level, like it got rejected many amount of times. So if it does close below that, there's lots of clean traffic for price to go down to.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what we're saying. Yes. Yes. Correct. Yes. If we break this, you know, it's been rejected. Like look, here. So got rejected here, 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 here. I mean, so if we break this, man, it's gonna be a melt. It's gonna be a melt. But again, so that's why I'm very willing to wait and miss that entry over here, because over here it's risky, because look at those rejection here. So you don't want price to come down and start rejecting your face. So no, I don't want that. I want something safer. So I want to break under, create resistance, and came back down, and that's it, you know. Or if it's during NY open, let's say that this candle NY open, let's say the 8 a.m. close like this. You know what? Let's erase all those stuff for a
But
sec.
the more often the price revisit certain price, the more likely it will break.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Fait que ça fait quoi? Une, deux, trois fois,
Ouais,
on devrait. Après trois, on devrait break.
yeah. So technically, I'm pretty sure that today we're gonna break this zone, but um, if let's say the 8 a.m. candle breaks and close around here, I'll wait for the 8:30 to come wick up, and once it break the low right here, I'll enter my entry.
If it does do that, yeah, I don't think it might come down a little bit, but I don't think it'll come all the way down. Because if you look on the daily, it's in a very strong uptrend, and it looks like it's gonna go to the mountain.
On the monthly, you said, or daily? Daily. Okay, wait.
Because on the left, it looks like it's just trying to correct that move. If you come out, look, if you come out and you go to the left,
This?
no,
Oh,
come
left.
out further and come out a bit more. Like, yeah, if you go up a bit,
Right here? Around here?
143.
143.
Yeah, I think that's where the price is trying to go to
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. But that's gonna be probably next week.
next week.
Yeah.
So what you think it's gonna come back down for?
Yeah, it's gonna come back down to, because price, it's been going up for a while, right? If you look at the weekly, um, I mean, we've been bullish for a while. So at one point, price needs to come back down to continue pushing back up, right? So so I don't think that 143 is gonna be like this week, but probably next week. Probably next week. But that's too early to you know to know. But right now, I mean, like I said, we've been on a bullish run, so I mean, we need to price to come down to continue back up. So that's why on the 30-minute, if you look at this, I think those two step can be attainable. This one's really far, so I don't think so. This one's gonna be there, but those two first step is gonna be easy grab here. So I think we can revisit 142, and 142 will probably reject the price and push it back up again. You know. So this is just my thinking, but we'll see how it goes. Because 143, I mean, yeah, no, I think next week's gonna be 143. It's gonna be great because I mean, if we break here today, I mean tomorrow, we only have 2 days left in this week, right? So we might see a crazy push to 143, but I think 143 for next week is really really possible. I mean, it's gonna be an easy move, but 143 today, I don't know. We'll see. We need, if we were going to 143 in NY Open or NYC Open, we need to see price around here. If not, I don't think during the day it's gonna go up here.
Ouais, c'est genre 60 pips, genre, jusque-là, c'est quand même un bout.
Ouais.
75 pips, ouais.
Oh, Christopher has a chart. No, Christopher, that's the previous chart. Okay, sorry. Oh, sorry.
That's the trade he just called. Yeah.
Nice.
Let's go take a look.
Yeah, c'est ça. Exactement.
Exactly. That is pretty sick that he just called it 5 minutes ago.
Good job, Christopher, man. Took the trade, Sasha, and when the 3 candles printed the way I want and took it, close bearish and retest, then close lower, enter. Amazing. 5-minute rejection, but also I'm looking for sell if it forms. Yeah. Good job, man. Great job. Yeah, that 5-minute candle pushed hard, man. Look at this 5 minutes. Yeah.
Moi, ça découle entre 5 minutes. Là.
Check bien, man. On va commencer à checker ça.
T'es fou, man.
On va checker ça avec Jim. Il va nous montrer ça.
Non, mais ça peut marcher. La réalité, c'est que ça marche. Si tu focuses sur une chose, ça va fonctionner. So, if you focus on one thing and your thing is focusing on 5 minutes, you're going to make it work. You know, it's like anything. If you focus on one thing, you know, I had someone asking me if I trade stock also. I'm like, dude, it's like asking me if I'm a surgeon and I'm a dentist at the same time. I was like, come on, guys. It's just like, focus on one freaking thing. Just stop trying to bounce back and forth in different ideas and different, you know, oh, I see someone making money. What stock? Okay, so maybe I should start trading stock. Oh, I see somebody making money trading crypto, so I should trade crypto. It's like, okay, so I'm a dentist. I see the surgeon making more money. Okay, so suddenly I'm a surgeon, right? It's like, come on, guys.
C'est tellement vrai. J'ai un ami, so funny. You guys probably saw what's happening with GameStop and
Yeah, yeah.
and all those things, whatever.
Yeah, BlackBerry.
Il texte un matin, à 1h30 du matin, des commandes. You see what's happening with GME, blah, blah. I'm like, dude, you're 4 days later. Like, it's been going up. Goes, I think I'm gonna buy some. I'm like, don't buy some. Like, you're gonna get hit. Like, yeah, you don't, they make crazy gains, but you can go in any market, man. Tu peux aller trader les corn futures, tu peux faire de l'argent, genre.
Ah ouais.
There's so many things you can trade. Just focus on one thing. That's it.
Il y a un coach dans ta tête.
C'est un affaire de FOMO, ça, là.
Ah ouais.
If you switch from one thing to another, it's FOMO, it's nothing else.
Yeah, facts.
Eric, hello, hello.
Hi. Yeah, hi, Eric. Avec les caps, là.
Dun, dun,
C'est
dun.
toujours ça. T'as un plan, ça marche pas 2-3 fois de suite, tu changes, puis là, tu repars à zéro. Peut-être que t'essaies de trouver le parfait setup, mais il n'y en aura jamais de parfait plan. Fait que tu vas juste perdre du temps, perdre du temps.
Yeah, Rick, it's a big range of GJ. Crazy range. Oh, look at GA coming back down. Oh, what's up with that? Whoa. Am I gonna get a second chance on GA? Oh shit.
Man, les Australiens qui veulent aller en Angleterre, ça leur coûte une beurrée, mon gars.
Man.
Ils parlent le double de qu'est-ce qui est de leur monnaie.
Ouais. Ah, c'est fou, là. Mais, tu sais qu'est-ce qui est encore plus fou? C'est en Australie. Do we have people from Australia here?
No, they're sleeping right now.
Sure. Good call. But you'll be surprised though. You'll be surprised because last time we had people from where was it? It was I can't remember. But yeah, you'll be surprised. But I think it's in Australia. If you go travel out there, you need to stay for 2 weeks in a special hotel. You don't see anyone. You're in a room for like pretty much all day long. You're allowed to 2 walks with guards, security guard armed in a park with c'est quoi des barbelés en anglais? Barbed wire. With barbed wire all around the park, you know, 2 times 30 minutes. You get food in your room, but and that's on your own. You got to pay for that, right? So if you want to travel over there, you got to be ready, and I think that's smart, to be honest.
On n'a pas ça ici.
Canada should be smarter, man.
Là, on me donne un chèque, c'est bien fait.
Freaking Trudeau, man, qui met pas ses culottes. Nous autres, on paye le monde pour aller en voyage. Nous autres, on est cave comme ça.
Ramène le virus, on te donne 500 pieds.
Ouais, c'est ça. Ramène la nouvelle variante, t'as un petit bonus.
On
Calice.
n'a pas compris. Nous autres, on est là à trader, on devait voyager.
C'est plus payant, man. C'est qu'on est épais, man. Ça n'a pas de bon sens. En tout cas, mais non.
C'est bien sacré son camp.
Je l'aimais Trudeau, pour vrai, je l'aimais. Mais là, je trouve qu'il a vraiment mal géré la situation. Mais non, on fera pas de politique, là. Okay, so, I live in Saudi. Oh, nice. Dude, you have buddy everywhere on the planet, you.
Parce que, dude, I went to business school, okay, puis this guy is from Saudi Arabia. Il a mis un post sur LinkedIn, okay, puis il y a un HSBC investment banking de Saudi Arabia qui l'ont dit à l'État, puis là, il est à Saudi, il est au Saudi.
Nice.
Il a dû aller there.
Phil is international.
I tried.
I do not know if anyone saw GME yesterday, GameStop. It's up, yeah. Everybody saw it.
Everybody saw it.
Yeah. Yes. But please don't buy anything right now. It's like when Bitcoin was at 40,000. Oh, I'm gonna buy some. Yeah.
There is the same thing, get rich fast scheme.
Yeah.
Like,
Let's take a look at Bitcoin now. Oh shit, it dropped from like holy shit. Holy.
this is the top cap mid, but look,
Holy, there's a shit. Yeah, that's 34 US. Yeah. But
L'intention Coinbase.
it was 40,000 Canadian, but we got to look at those people who bought over here, man. Holy.
J'en achète un en haut sur le top. Ah ouais.
They're probably crying right now.
Pour ça, mais il m'a dit que ça allait monter.
Shit, boy.
Moi, j'avais investi dans les cryptos en 2018.
Uh-huh.
J'ai gardé ça pour, je crois, 2 ans.
Okay.
Je les ai vendus en octobre passé. Oui, octobre passé, voilà, avant la hausse.
Okay.
Malheureusement, avant la hausse, ouais.
Euh,
Sinon, j'avais fait plus de 200-300%. Ouais.
Oh wow.
Puis je l'avais, par exemple,
100 000.
Ouais, c'est ça. Moi aussi, je m'attendais à ça, là.
voilà. Par exemple, j'avais acheté l'Ethereum quand l'Ethereum était à $100.
oh shit.
Alors, j'avais acheté assez en ce moment quand c'était à $100.
Yeah.
Et maintenant, c'est à 1000.
Ben, écoute, j'en ai un ami qui, lui, il est extra crypto, hein, qu'il y a une offre pour aller travailler pour Coinbase, puis je pense qu'il y a 42 ETH au total, fait que ça vaut comme
Wow.
80 000, une affaire même. Puis, his goal is to, like, retire on this, but, you know, who knows what's gonna happen.
Yeah, I bought some in 2017. Where was it?
Man, ça, c'est du long swing trading, là.
Ah.
Attendre 2-3 ans, mon gars.
Yeah, I bought some. It was like, I remember, especially it was like it's September 2017. Oh, it's over here. Yo, right over here. That was like right around here. I bought it like at 4,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Puis là,
Puis là, je l'ai vendu. Je pense que je l'avais vendu comme à 10 000. So I sold everything like in December 2017.
Pretty good, though.
Yeah, so.
au moins, t'as pas, au moins, t'as pas acheté à 19 puis vendu à 6.
Yeah, so no, it was pretty good, but anyways. So they had something also. They had something called BitConnect. I don't know if there's anyone who knew about that, but man, I lost so much money with that. I think I lost like around like 40,000. Yeah, yeah.
Une sale beurrée.
Yeah, that one hurt. That one, I'm still crying at night about it. I sleep like this, and I like I was so dumb. Uh,
Were you single at the time or?
no, but I became single. Yeah. Uh, what a waste, man.
Faire des erreurs, man.
Yeah, what a waste. It was like,
How much did Roger lose one thing? I think he says it all the time. He lost like.
oh yeah, that was way more than that. Oh man, I'm about to fall asleep.
Ils font les meilleures histoires là, dans peu de temps puis qui se sont levés. Là. Ça prend du caractère puis de la détermination.
Oh yeah.
Visual activate.
Oh yeah, I'm starting to feel asleep, so I need to, need to wake up a little bit.
Yeah, and we maybe have a chart from Eric on USDGPY.
Oh,
And USD CAD breaking M30 lows from Malta.
UCAD.
MCAD, UCAD.
That is 30 minutes.
Hours.
128, 520.
That's
That's
cheap.
how they said holy shit. Ça manquait de.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I have to wait for the breakout in the USD.
Yep.
Yo, no, I would.
Long chart.
Yeah, for sure. You want to wait for the breakout, for sure. You don't want to. You don't want to be trading in this.
Eugene.
No.
C'est une belle chart, though.
Is that?
Yeah, I will definitely buy above here. Yeah, for sure.
The sell seems to be.
Sell's gonna be more tricky.
For the sell, I am confused. For the sell is fair because for a moment it's a big consolidation zone.
Yeah. Go shit.
And USD God, it's a big, it's a consolidation zone. It's ready for sell if you are seeing the 4-hour time frame. It's in a resistance on the price. It's a pullback down.
Formation shampoing en M30. Phil, tu peux-tu nous expliquer c'est quoi formation shampoing? Maintenant que tu le sais.
C'est pas en parler,
Phil, c'est comme notre Mac. Phil is like our Mac, you know. So it's our French version of Mac.
Yeah.
Sacha,
Plus de cash qu'à moi, gros, je crois. He's a good trader, man. Very good trader.
Yeah.
Yeah, he is. Oui, Albert.
oui, j'aimerais bien essayer le funding talent là, mais je sais pas, je suis pas trop confiant. Hein.
You can't wait, man.
Il faut que tu sautes comme dans un bungee avec pas d'élastique. Non, c'est pas vrai. Non, mais si t'es pas confiant, ça sert à rien de le faire. Donc, ça sert à rien de le faire. C'est comme dans n'importe quoi. Il faut que tu aies confiance. Et c'est vraiment, vraiment, vraiment important. La seule chose que je peux te dire, c'est si tu es constant sur ton compte live, je pense que ça peut valoir la peine. Par contre, il faut que tu sois prêt mentalement parce que c'est différent. C'est différent. Tu vas trader des plus gros montants. Faut que tu t'habitues. Moi, ça m'a pris des mois. Là, les gars, ils le savent. Ça m'a pris des mois avant de m'habituer. Puis je me suis planté mes 2 premiers mois avec Funding Talent parce que je n'étais pas habitué. Je closais plus vite. Je sécurisais pas mes profits ou quand j'étais dans le drawdown, j'avais peur, je fermais. Parce que là, tu vois pas des. T'es pas genre 20$ dans le drawdown ou 200$ dans le drawdown, t'es 2000$ dans le drawdown, tu comprends? C'est une autre histoire, là. Donc, c'est vraiment ça. So for people wondering, in English, people ask about funding talent. Someone wants to try it, but he doesn't feel super confident. I said, don't do it if you're not super confident. But if you're constant on your account, it's something you can try. But you need to be constant first, and you need to be ready mentally to deal with bigger numbers. And it took me like at least 2 months before being fine and okay and starting to have some success with funding talent, because at first I screwed it up. I remember the first one, it was just like, it was horrible, because I mean, you got to get used to being a drawdown for thousands of dollars, not like $20 in drawdown, or $200 in drawdown. Talking about like $2,000, $4,000 in the drawdown. So I mean, it's different. So you're gonna be closing early. You're gonna be scared. So yeah, but I think it's a good program. If you're first, you need to be constant. So that's one thing. Mais oui, Albert, le programme, il est bien, mais comme je te dis, si t'es pas prêt, presse-toi pas. C'est pas une course. C'est pas une course, c'est un marathon.
Les règles là qui, bon, pour le moment, j'ai du mal à comprendre les règles, ouais. Les règles de trading, je sais pas si je suis obligé de trader chaque jour ou il y a un certain nombre de jours de trading dans la semaine.
Ouais, les règles, c'est 3 jours de trading par semaine. Ça, c'est sur le modèle classique. Donc, sur le modèle classique, c'est 3 jours de trading par semaine. So, minimum, ouais. Donc, ça, c'est quand même pas trop difficile à respecter. Ouais, non, c'est pas trop difficile à respecter, pour être honnête. Tu sais, à la limite, là, si tu vois rien, tu peux rentrer un trade, rentrer et sortir très rapidement, là. Exact, c'est juste pour ouvrir une position, là. Fait qu'à la limite, si t'es pas sûr, tu attends un setup, tu rentres puis tu sors à 2 pips de profit, puis merci, bonsoir, là. Hi Sasha, what do you think of buy on GJ as 30 minute is closing bullish in the golden zone? Yeah, as you see, I didn't put the golden zone here because golden zone works best when market is trending, and right now it's not trending. So that's why I don't use that tool. So yeah, I mean, buys for me, it's just above like 142,750 for safe buys, or if I have a solid support around like 650, 700, that can be an option also. But right now, I mean, I don't know. I'm not excited about anything right now. Looking at 1 hour, I mean, if this 1 hour closed bullish, that would be the 8 a.m. After that, that's going to be NY open candle. So now we can expect volume to break this zone. If we have a nice bullish close above 500, yes, it's something possible. But as right now, not much. But you know what? Now I'm looking at it. What time is it now? 7:30. So this one's gonna be closing at 8. You know what? It's not a bad idea if you know, especially that this came down, push back up. We came back here, create that support to push back up, and now we're gonna create the same stuff over here. So yeah, it's not crazy. It's not crazy. Yeah, it's not a bad idea, but I don't really like it since, like, yes, Phil is right. Yesterday we were starting to play in that range, but now it's just been like, whoops. It's been like a while. It's bouncing back and forth in this range. So, what the hell? I don't know what's going on. Hey man, yesterday I was about to freak out. Yesterday I was doing the Forex talk over beer, so I don't know if there was anyone from here live, but
What happened? Non, j'ai vu un peu la fin, mais.
my mouse, uh, I don't know, kind of disconnected from the computer,
Oh.
and there's no way you can do anything without a mouse. You know, just like I was like, man, what I do now? Like, so it took a while before it reconnected. So I don't know what happened. Anyways, bye people, have a good trade. Bye Mike. I want to ask anyone what happened if you entry sell.
And buy the same pair.
Oh,
It's called edging, and not every
Yeah.
broker allow.
yeah. Yeah, it requires a lot of experience. Because I'm watching some weird videos with buys and sell the same. Oh, okay, yes, yeah. Don't, yeah. I mean, again, focus on one thing. You know.
Les mauvaises idées commencent toujours en regardant des bizarres des vidéos sur YouTube.
Right away, if it feels weird to you, that's a good hint on it's a bad idea.
Facts.
Yeah.
God dang, GJ. Close with no wick again would be sick.
GG is all over the place. I've tried it 2 times, but it has burned my account. Yep. Well, so you got your, I guess you got your answer, right? But when see again, I say, how functional this? I'm not sure to understand, but I think it's a bad idea, man.
It's a good idea when you swing so you can edge.
Yeah.
your
Yeah, it's a really good idea when you know what you're doing. You know.
Yeah, facts.
You know. Yeah, we all know the same trader that does it. But here in Montreal, but I mean, it's a skill. You know. Again, this guy focused on one thing and he focused on that. So, I mean,
That's close, hein?
hmm.
Un beau close.
Yep.
30 minutes,
30-minute closed bullish, right? So 30-minute closed bullish. So that is giving hope for buy to comes back up. So again, there's people who's gonna take buys here. I think it's not a bad idea, to be honest. To be honest, I think that can work. But for me, it's just like I don't want to risk it. Like I said, I'm 4-4 today this week, so I want to take a safe setup today. So I'm not gonna be risking, but I think this can work. I think this can work.
If you took buys, where would you put your stop loss? Because that's a large.
I would use probably under the 15. Yeah.
En dessous de la 30, c'est 13 pips, c'est pas
Yeah.
si mal.
So if you look here, let's say that you enter here, and you can place your stop like kind of right here. So what? Oh, that's a 6 pips. Yeah, probably gonna be like at least 9-8 pips. Yeah, since it's a very small stop, I'm probably gonna put like 7-8 pips, you know, to give it a little bit of room. But again, I'm not taking it because I think it's risky, and yeah. So this is normal for the 15 minutes to start coming back down before going back up. But yeah.
Also, it's in the middle of the range.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's in the middle.
Low ice.
The what? Sorry.
Low ice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sur low lows.
And you got your 500 right there too, very close to it. So there's too many things that tells me not to take it. But do I think it can work? Yeah, I think it can work. I think you can grab like 10 pips, but pretty much not more than that, you know.
Jusqu'à 500.
Because yeah, exactly. So the thing is, if you take it here, let's say, 9 pips to 500, and don't forget, you're probably not gonna break this because we're going down like right now. So it's probably gonna be like right around here. So That's what I'm saying. You can work for 10, 11 pips, and after that, close everything. But I'm not super confident into it.
If the same setup happened on where it's 142, 250, like near 3 o'clock, I think that would be a much better trade.
Yeah.
Obviously, it didn't work.
Yeah, you're gonna have more range. Yeah.
Would you have taken that one at 142, 250?
This one? I would have taken and we discussed that, but I would have taken whoops, where's my mouse? Here. I would have taken this entry right here.
Yeah,
So that would have been my entry, but I was asleep, because that was 4:30. I woke up at 5. So by the time I marked my chart and everything, price was like somewhere around here in this candle. So
but you would have got something up. Would you have got something
Yeah,
up?
the next candle wicked down, right?
yeah.
Yeah, but
You would have.
Oh yeah, been stopped for sure. Oh yeah.
that's still a good trade there, bro.
Oh yeah. That I would still been happy with that trade because I know it worked. So that was a liquidity grab to the downside, and that's it. So, but yeah. But I think that was a great trade. Even if I would have lost that one, I still think it was great because technically it would have, you know, it was working. So yep.
You see, GA, yesterday I was took that GA buy and then literally the same thing here. I went down first. That's how you took me out and carry on going up.
Oh yeah, I remember you sent it to me on IG. Yeah, yeah, those ones sucks. It's just like
Looking at
it. You cannot do anything about it. It's just like it is what it is. But you got to be happy because your plan worked, and you know that you can continue trading on that kind of setup because it's working. You got unlucky by the fact that they have a liquidity grab to the downside and took you out. But you know what? Looking at it though, let me just take a look at something very quickly. Whoops. No, this. What the hell?
but you have to take with
You have to take your loss.
Yeah, I'm always like confusing Zoom and so yeah, so looking at it, just want to see something quickly. Yeah, to be honest, I will not have put a stop at 5. So my loss was probably bigger because I would have put my loss probably under this week at 7, at least 7 8 pips, but still I would have stopped. I would have been stopped, because it wicked down like almost 10 pips. Yeah, 10 pips down. So but that's something to keep in mind though. I think that's something I will journal. Because when you're at the zone, sometimes you might want your stop a little lower, to make sure that you don't get out. Because 6, 7, 8 pips, it's really tight. It's really tight. It can wick in like this one, wick down 10 pips and push back up. So
well, the only other way that you could avoid that is if you let it go down first, but then
yes, and enter after. Yeah.
if you do that, then it could kind of.
Yeah.
I don't know if it went down a little bit and then went up.
Yeah. That's the other thing. Also, if it is start to go down very quickly,
Have in the 5 minute to see if to see how it moved.
yeah, it came 3, 4, 4, 4. Yeah, it started to wick down right away. Oh, we had a tiny wick here. That's at 4:20. 4:30. Where's 4:30? This one's 4:30. Oh yeah, so it started to wick down right away. No top wick, no nothing. So it actually went down right away. Yeah.
Maybe should have waited for.
Yeah. It is what it is. Now it's past. Let's move on to, do you scalp? Yes. Well, I scalp intraday, you know. Yeah, pretty much. But everything we discuss, you can apply the same thing on swing trade if you swing trade. Because the same thing applies on 4-hour, daily, weekly. Candles move the same, right? Candles move the same. So, yeah. So same strategy, just different time frame. I am starting to look Asian session at 4 hours now, just to have like trades during the night. So that's something I'm starting to journal. So if you look here, yesterday, no, the day before, that was the 25th, yes, right here. So basically yesterday, on the 25th, that was 2 days ago, I took a paper trade on Asian session. When this 4 hour closed and established support right here, I actually placed my paper trade and took a buy here, and my stop was right over here. So yep, and so that was my paper trade for the Asian session. So technically I placed my auto BE, I think it was like at 142,500. So basically went into profit and came back to my entry. So now I'm learning that I need to be give a little bit more room into my swing trade ideas, you know. So just probably not gonna place auto B next time, and just let it go, you know. But this is just something I'm working on. All right, 20. Man, that's another long session. What do you suggest? What time frame lower? Oh, I basically, there's people that do like very quick scalps. They're gonna do it on 1 minute and 5 minutes. I consider myself like kind of more of intraday, I guess, because I trade on the 30-minute, mostly 1 hour. So scalp's gonna do like more on 5 minutes and 15 minutes, maybe 1 minute for some time, for some people. But I think 5 minutes and 15 minutes, if you scalp in and out, I think that can be pretty good. But the problem with 5 minutes, 15 minutes, there's so very weak confirmation time frame, you know. So that's why I mean, it's good if you're, want to grab like a 5 pip, 4 pip move. But if you're aiming for 10, 11, 12 pips, I feel more secure on 30 minutes. Hey Sasha, what do you think of buy on GG terminal closing bullish? Oh yeah, we already answered that. Okay. You're welcome, Veda. You're welcome. Welcome. Okay, are we still at 666 subscriber, Phil? Because if we're still at 666, I'm gonna go crazy.
No, what, 665? Because I told you I unsubscribed, John.
Okay, so we need to get at least to 667. What the hell? Okay. So if...
Oh, 67,
there we go. Thank you, guys. Ah, there we go. Finally. So now GG is gonna start moving the right way. So don't forget to subscribe if it's not done yet. Don't forget to give a like to the stream. Smash that like button. What?
668.
668. There we go. There we go. Woo! Getting there. Getting there.
669 now.
There we go. Let's go.
See, GG. Are you guys sure or what?
No, I didn't do nothing yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think we get a bearish close, it will be good.
Yeah.
For sure. That will be also New York Open, so.
Yeah, no, now volume is gonna be in our favor, so we can try some more risky move. But before volume come in, it's
Not worth the risk. In my
no. Coffee time for you, Phil. All right.
Dude, n'avoir un corps ici, là. Ben non.
Ah ouais, t'es comme de. Ah, c'est pour ça que t'as pas de misère à te lever. Ah.
But dude, I've been sleeping. I go to bed around 10 p.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. because it's 5:30
That's funny.
That's the whole.
Val, elle aimerait ça être à ta place, je pense.
Yeah, but we're going back in April, and then I'm moving to Toronto in May.
What?
Yeah, man.
Why is that?
Because my girlfriend's a real estate agent, and she will make a lot of money in Toronto, and I work for the exchange, so I can work for the exchange in Toronto.
Nice, nice.
Yeah. But doesn't change anything. I'll be on the stream and everything. Just, I might be a little bit more douchey, but that's it.
Man, you're gonna. Oh man, Toronto, man. Phew. They're gonna fucked up your head, man.
Why?
I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm just fucking around.
But it's the plan.
That's good, man. That's all. That's exciting.
We're gonna have to propose to her soon.
Ooh, look at this guy announcing that on the stream. Shit, boy.
Alright.
God damn, boy.
Yeah, on est rendu là.
Wow.
T'as quel âge?
Ouais, c'est ça, je m'en dis. T'as quoi, 21?
Je m'en vais 26 dans un mois.
Holy
Ooh, 26.
Le gars va se marier.
But, like, I have to wait though, because she's a little bit too young to get married.
What, she's 16?
What's that?
She's 16?
No. No, she's 23.
Ah! J'en ai pas de jeune, là, j'ai 22 ici.
Bon, Steve, va foutre ton biberon, toi. So young, this guy's so young. Don't make it this far to marry. No. I know it's good. No, I'm happy. She's the one for me. That's for
Yeah. I said.
That's important, man.
Yeah. I said that too. It cost me a lot of money.
You will regret it, but. C'est ça le challenge, là.
There's people saying yes, you should do it. I'm like, dude. There's people saying you should do it. I'm like, don't do it, bro.
Still innocent people saying to do it.
Yeah.
No, but I say that, but it's funny because my parents have been married for 30 years, okay? And they even told me, don't get married.
That's funny. Well, no, that's cool, man. That's cool. Congrats.
If she's the one, Phil, go for it.
Yeah.
It's very difficult nowadays to find the one.
Hell yeah. Just be happy.
Yeah, we have when we finally meet together one day, I'll explain the story.
Oh, okay. I remember that. Val est à côté comme ça, puis elle écoute la petite histoire d'amour, puis comme, oh, c'est vraiment cute. So cute.
Moi, je fais juste penser à l'heure qu'il se lève, puis je suis capable.
Toi, tu le marierais juste pour ça, right? So cute. Oh boy, man. Man, we gotta be entertaining ourselves, right? Because GJ's been so boring. Yep.
It made high lows for those making low highs. So if it closes bearish and it's testing support, would your bias then start changing? Because it could potentially just come back up. Because it already tested support and then it got rejected from 142 to 50.
Yeah, but the thing is, okay, let's do this here. The thing is, there's too many stuff that I don't like. You know, it's like this is coming down, this is creating higher lows. It's just like I don't know, man. I don't like it. So that's why I'm just waiting for this to break over here, or break over here, or again, if we create that, nice solid support, around here, we might push back up, but I don't feel it. I don't like it. So I don't like the fact that, I mean, they're saying different story here, so it's, I don't like it. So I'm not gonna rush the trade, I learned the hard way, I learned the hard way. I was absolutely wanting to take a trade. Oh, man, I need to take a trade. My trading session is ending, right? So I should jump in a trade, and you know what? This never end well, So yeah. So again, it's boring, and but we gotta wait, man. We gotta wait. I don't know. And again, if it push, fine, and I'm happy for people who grabbed it. I think it can work. If we break this high, I mean, yeah, we can probably gonna retest the high again, but I don't think it's gonna be for sure that it's gonna break, because again, this is coming down, this is coming up, just like they're both saying a different story. It's like having a new married couple. The girl saying, yeah, yeah, yeah. The boy's like, no, I don't think so, and now they start agreeing they did divorce. Too bad Phil wasn't there for that beautiful story. Oh well.
That's it. Girls are more romantic, more love and all that.
Yeah. Yep.
And also over there's the golden area.
Yeah, I didn't put it because, I mean, usually golden zone works best when market is trending. So that's why I didn't use it in this setup.
Yeah, in this scenario, high, low,
Yeah.
low, high, low, low. So we have a trend.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So in this scenario, we could have taken it.
But it's still in a range though, that's what I mean.
High
So
time frames, yeah.
yeah, so that's what I mean. Like this is like trending, no problem. This is trending hard, and that's pretty nice.
It's boring, man.
Look at this rejection to the golden zone for the second time. If this candle on GA close above this zone right here, create support, yeah, I think that's going to be an amazing buy on GA. Yep. You know what? I'm going to be looking at this. Yeah, trending up. Broke previous high, respected previous low. Oh yeah.
Le bias bullish sur GG fonctionne à merveille aussi, malgré que je n'ai pas tradé.
Ouais.
On aurait eu au moins 10 pips là, si on avait rentré au wick down.
8 pips. Ça, c'est pas de spread.
Ah, mais mettons, t'attends un peu. Moi, je fais ça souvent. J'attends puis je rentre dans wick down.
Ah ouais, hein, tu fais ça, toi. T'es un petit ninja comme ça, toi.
J'ai fait ça hier.
Nice.
Quand j'ai pas assez d'espace comme pour me rendre à 10 pips,
Ouais,
je
ouais.
fais un peu retrace down. Fait que quand il break le high, je suis quasiment à déjà 10 pips. Hein.
Nice.
Fait que ouais. Deux belles directions. À date, on j'embête GG même si on trigger pas.
Ouais.
On est sur une erreur dans le fond.
Let me take a look at this here. Man, mon OpenCalc était ouvert encore depuis très longtemps. Let's take a look at this. What the hell? C'est quoi le prix? 7,9. Ok. Ouais. C'est quoi ça? Ah. That's why. Dun, 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 dun. Ça ressemble à quoi ça pour le fun? Ça c'est... Tu sais, quand ton écriture de Magic Key était comme... Ah, c'est 11 pips, ok.
Non, c'est tes yeux de vieux qui.
Ouais, c'est peut-être ça aussi.
Je peux pas parler, j'ai déjà des lunettes à 22 ans.
C'est ça que je m'en disais, je trouve que tu fais ton frais un peu là, pour pas grand chose.
Ouais. T'es-tu en train de magasiner GA?
I'm shopping for maybe a buy on GA, but I don't know. We'll see how this goes. There's 5 minutes left, and GJ is still there, and yeah.
Under 50.
Avez-vous take un trade?
Oh, Jim!
Oh, Jim vient de se lever.
Non, puis il vient de finir sa journée, check
Ouais, c'est ça, il s'en vient nous montrer son win, le petit chien. Il s'en vient, il s'en... Ouais, regardez ça, moi sur GU, man. Pow, prenez ça dans vos dents, les gars.
Mon truc live, c'est je trade, mettons, la première heure tout seul. S'il y a un setup puis que je le vends, that's it. Puis après ça, je viens sur le stream.
Pour nous faire chier, c'est
Des
ça?
conférences de plus pour pas les deux. Tout le temps, asti que ça marche tout le temps à ça.
All right, so yeah, so I'm probably I'm looking at GA right now, and it looks pretty good.
Would be tempting to take it back. On a comment de range pour aller au Whitfield?
This one?
Ouais. Là, il va être 8 heures en plus.
13.
Ah, crème. On est en haut du QP 79 500.
Shit, GA, ça trade hard. Ben, ça
Ouais,
trade hard.
ça a pas de sens.
Ah,
Hier, ça fait
c'est
juste pas de
ridicule, là.
Ok.
Les H4 sont bleus depuis genre hier au close.
Ah ouais, mais j'avais jamais checké cette paire-là, mais il y a des moves qui sont straight.
GA is really nice. I've been looking at GA for, I think 2 months, 3 months.
Mais toutes les paires que tu regardes, admettons au New York, il y a juste une currency d'ouvert, c'est vraiment plus facile à trader. Tu sais, comme le Aussie et le Nouvelle-Zélande, c'est fermé.
Ouais.
Le JPY et le GG, c'est fermé. Fait que, ouais. Phil, il revient, il est allé demander en mariage
Voyons ma cake, moi.
Mais non, c'est ce que je viens de
That's that Jimmy cake. Nice trade, Jimmy, by the way.
Yeah.
Thanks, mais non, il m'a rien dit. De quoi que. Qu'est-ce qui se
No,
passe?
whatever, it doesn't matter.
Ah!
On est fou, gars.
Jimmy,
Yeah, I'm really tempted now, but I want to see a close, strong close.
Marc, did you
It's
give
gonna
up
be a
on
nice
the
engulfing.
Non, ben, je l'ai pas regardé aujourd'hui. JJ m'a donné beaucoup de trucs à regarder.
yen? T'as pu faire un beau bail là-dessus.
Ah, il trend hard. J'aurais été stop par exemple si j'avais rentré à 6h30. Quand le market il trend, là, c'est quasiment genre vraiment possible de juste trader sans rien marquer sur nos charts.
Oh ouais, absolument.
C'est fou là.
Ouais.
Je me lève le matin, je check mon MP4, je suis comme si c'est un beau set là-dessus, je me lève, je vais trader sur mon charts.
Right. I don't know, when market is trending, man. I mean, you don't even need anything on your screen. You can just see. You can see market to form support and now retesting those high. You don't need anything on your chart. When you understand price action, I mean, and trend is and the market is trending, man, it's beautiful. I can't wait to get back to this with GJ because I remember when I got started with GJ, man, it was trending well, you know.
Avril, mai, mon gars.
Whew. Man, those was beautiful.
Même le Asian, il trendait dans le temps.
What?
Dans le temps.
Back in the days,
Yep.
you know. So 15 seconds, 10 seconds. Yeah, I think I'm gonna trigger a buy on GA. Put my stop under previous. All depends on how it closed, but it looks like it's gonna be closing engulfing. So yeah, so
Ok, tout le monde, on encourage ça, chat.
Yeah, man.
so we'll see. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Only risking like 1%, and
Yep.
we'll see how it goes.
Was good.
Il y a Wake déjà. Tu mets genre 10 pips de stop.
Ben là, c'est ça, là, c'est que j'étais à je sais plus combien, là. Mais je vais le baisser un petit peu en bas de la mèche. There we go.
Tu viens de stack 5 positions.
Then I'm moving my stop. I want it a little bit lower under that wick, you know, just to give it a little room. I don't want to get stopped by the spread, you know. So,
Le break pullback, 79,500.
yeah. Yeah,
Pas de sniper ton entry, c'était quand même.
Ah, t'as un break de 2 heures quand même. Là.
So on the other end, GJ, I mean, close bullish. So yeah, so if people triggered a buy, I think stick your profit because 500 can be a rejection zone. And look at this, we're going down here, we're going up here. So I mean, we don't know, you know.
Definitely.
Une question, Serge, pour USD
USD GPY. Oh, where? Oh, I am to wait for UJ is coming up. Sasha, look at UJ is big bullish candle on 30-minute, but not verify the breakout. What happened if not breaks? Send me your chart. Send your chart to break. We'll take a look at it. So.
Roger 2.0.
Oh, it's just like for me, it's easier. Just you know.
On peut tellement voir genre tout plein d'affaires à tout plein de places chacun.
Because if I'm going to the chart and be like, you talk about over here, over here, over here, so I don't know, you know. So just if you label your chart, you send it. It's gonna be easy to explain. It's gonna be easy to take a look at. So yeah. So all right, GA, let's go.
Dès qu'on break le high, c'est terminé.
Oh, GA, 100%.
put my partial at 11 pips, but I feel like putting at like at top of that wick.
Oh, so greedy. Come on.
Feel like putting like right. You know what? I'll put it right here. So this is 13 pips. So
2 pips de plus sur un stop de 10 pips, ça paraît con, hein?
ben ça paraît surtout quand tu utilises un fixed lot.
Ouais.
So yeah, I use fixed lot, so it makes 2 pips more on 2 position, so it's 4 pips more total. So it makes a huge difference because I got 2 position open right now. So basically, I'm risking a little. Actually, it's a little less than 1%. Oh, here we go. There we go. I think I'm gonna get the anthem ready now. So looks pretty good.
Smash that like button for that.
Yeah, boy. So
You can train.
yeah, getting there.
He did take the trade, Christopher. He's getting ready to get TP.
All right, so we broke that high, so technically we should continue up.
Yeah.
What about 1 hour? 1 hour. Oh, 1 hour broke the high also. So I mean, yeah, should be fine. Should be fine. We should wick fill 1 hour actually.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
We should wick fill 1 hour. Yeah. I think I'm gonna move it to here. Yes.
I like to move it.
I like to move it.
You like to?
Move it. Yeah. All right, so let's go take a look at GJ. What is GJ doing? GJ is, holy moly. Look at this 1 hour, how it's ranging on 1 hour. Look at this, same setup here. Do you see that? Same setup, right?
True.
So it was like one bearish, one candle, one. So booby trap candle, and after that the second one pushed up. So maybe we can see this candle to push back up and break everything. So that's something to keep in mind.
And also this one closed above this
Yeah. Yeah, that looks pretty good. But yeah. Yeah, it's crazy how this.
Going back.
The thing is that the range is very, very small. The next resistance is around 56.
Yeah.
30 minute.
Yeah, that's why I don't like what I see on GJ.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
Satch GA, il est back à l'entry. Est-ce que tu close half à ton entrée ou?
Je vais voir s'il descend plus bas que le quarter point. S'il descend plus bas que le quarter point, je vais faire. So if this trade goes under like the quarter points, I'm gonna close one of my 2 position. Because it was like, I don't think it was like,
C'est genre 6.
was it like, it was 7 pips? Yeah, 7 pips in profit. So. But we didn't have that top wick yet, so. Boom, boom, boom. But the thing though is I should have secured one position when we hit that resistance though. That's my mistake here.
Yep.
I should have been more careful and look at it instead of bouncing back and forth with GJ chart.
Yeah.
God damn. Yeah. Come on. Reject 500.
Bon, alright, man. Moi, je vais.
T'as travaillé?
Yep, gotta go as usual. So take care, everybody. See y'all.
Take care, take care.
See y'all. Yeah. Yo, man.
So John says, man, I'm so bad at trading, gotta give it up. LOL. I mean, don't give it up. Oh shit. I wasn't looking.
Watch out.
Yeah. Let me close one of the two position here. So here, all right. So reduce my risk, and that's it. Oh,
But you see where
that is not good.
above your support. Would you take that into consideration?
The what, sorry?
Where the candle closed above support before
Whoa.
the entry.
Il n'y a pas de news.
Yeah, so I'm out. Okay. So that was like a 7 pip total loss. God damn, I wanted my perfect week. Shit.
Damn, sorry.
Shit, boy. But the mistake here is when price came up to that resistance, I should have secure profits. So I will journal that and remember that.
Can you go to 4 hour on GA?
Yep.
And look to the left. See all this
Oh yeah, here. Did we tap into this? Oh yes. Yeah, but the
29.60.
yeah, but this is clean traffic though.
That's super clean.
Yeah,
And also we
it
have
was
like
pretty much clean, but yes, I see what you mean.
7 bullish
Around 700 right here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh well, it is what it is. So I guess now price needs to come down before continuing up, because look at this 4 hour candles. Just like been trending hard, you know. Wow, crazy. All right, so let's get back to GJ. GJ is still doing nothing.
look at the 30 minutes.
Oh, this is 4 hour. 1 hour is still, you know. Oh man. Oh, je t'entends plus, Phil. J'ai changé mes settings, je sais pas. Attends un peu. Non, je t'entends pas, Phil. Can someone else speak? See if it's me having a problem or.
Hello.
Moi, j'écoute bien.
Huh. Okay, that's weird. Let's try this. Let's try this here.
Yes, we can feel. Yeah, but he can't, right?
Oh. Okay, perfect.
That's what's happening.
Alright, can you talk now?
What's
All right, here we go. You're back. All right.
What happened?
I don't know. I don't know. It's weird. My Zoom settings seems to be changing by itself.
What I was saying is, if you go back on the 30-minute on GG, it's doing the same thing that it did this morning, rejecting 500.
Yeah. Right here.
Now, we might finally go to 250 and then break it.
Mm-hmm.
The thing is that 250 is a really, really strong level.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
Look at how this
Really
cute.
fundamental news. Otherwise,
Yeah.
it's gonna be.
Yeah.
Sorry, Sasha.
No, that's fine. That's fine. It was exactly that. It's just like, see how this
Right.
QP line, how it's respected. Like, look at all those wicking, you know, to that QP. It's just like, it's crazy, you know. Dun, dun, dun.
We have USD news right in 50 minutes.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna move GG that much, but and of course, you GA bastard, you better not close bullish. I'm gonna hate you. Damn it. Damn.
What you do on that? That's pretty tough.
What?
It broke the high, broke the low. Like,
Yeah. Just like now, okay, we don't know what to do. God damn. Really? No way. God damn GA. It's okay. At least I know the plan worked, you know. Not yet, but if we my TP, my partial was at right over here. So let's put it right here. It was right. Oh yeah, I used this wick on the 1 hour. Put it 12 pips. It was 13 pips. So yeah, so right around there. So just want to see. I'm just curious if I'm gonna hit that. Yeah. Okay, what time is it now? Okay, so perfect. So let me get the dogs out for a second, and I'll be right back. Dogs out. Yeah, I want to play the anthem today, so we better get a win, man. All right, let's see. All right. What did I miss?
Hey, GJ came all the way back up. How about you, GA 1 and 2?
God damn. God damn it. I would probably have grabbed 10 pips. That sucks. Look at this here. Oh, 10 pips right on the dot. Shit, boy. And GJ rejecting 500 once again.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. That's a crazy range on GJ. I think GA was the trade. Yeah, GA was the trade here. What a boring session. Damn it. All right. Yeah, that was man, I'm so bad. Okay. Did I miss some questions here or people say goodbye? All right. Did you take a trade in GA? Oh, yes, that was a while ago. What's your TP on GA? Oh, I guess I answered that. Wow. Pourquoi qu'à chaque fois que je retourne sur une paire, je suis obligé de scroll comme ça? Ça gosse, man. Tu sais, mettons, je pars.
Ouvre-toi des pages.
Là, je reviens.
Ouais, non, c'est tout le temps en forfait différent.
Ouvre-toi plein de pages.
Ouais.
Ah, je peux pas.
Non?
Ben non, parce que ça te prend la version pro. Tu peux pas ouvrir plus qu'une page.
Non.
Ok,
Par
j'ai
deux,
reçu.
that's it.
Hein?
Je pense qu'on en vaut deux avec la version basic. That's it.
J'ai la version.
Man.
J'ai pas moi.
Mais les gars de chez Wingan sont riches, là.
Ben ouais, ok, non, c'est vrai, j'ai un abonnement. Sauf qu'ils m'ont fait un deal à un moment donné, je payais, je sais plus trop combien par mois, puis ils m'ont dit, mettons, ok, tu veux-tu payer, je pense, 70 d'une shot, puis tu l'as.
Ouais, c'est ça, j'avais déjà pris ça, moi aussi.
Trading View sont huge au Black Friday, là.
Ouais.
120$, ils sont comme non, on t'achète pour 60 pour l'année si tu veux. Là.
Ouais, c'est ça, exact.
Alright, so this candle closed bearish on the 30-minute. So I think now price should continue down, right? Close engulfing, but I mean, if you look at 1 hour, the problem is we are in this crazy range on H1. So, I mean, right now it's a do not touch, right? So, yeah. Let's adjust this zone a little bit.
Ouais, c'est fou, raide, le break, là, en guillemets, là, d'à peu près un mois là, que j'ai pris, là.
Ouais.
Fuck, bro. C'était juste du backtesting, puis d'essayer de. Tu sais, j'étais allé voir, toucher un peu dans le cours des autres. J'ai checké beaucoup d'institutional trading, puis j'étais allé vraiment. J'ai pas eu une formation que genre. C'était juste pour rentrer dans un groupe Telegram, puis dans un groupe Discord, tout ça.
Yeah.
Aller voir comment ça se passe, tout. Bro, y a rien. Ok, à tout le monde là, qui parle français là, ici, il n'y a rien de plus rentable que 10 à 15 pips par jour. Rien. Rien. C'est impossible. Moi, je me disais, ok, ouais, mais si tu fais des setups d'un fois 12 pour 1, pis tout, pis ben non, ça. C'est pas rentable, psychologiquement parlant. Parce que si tu prends 5 trades de suite que tu perds, tu vas avoir peur de mettre full margin sur le prochain trade qui va peut-être te faire mettre toute ta semaine en profit. Puis, mettons, mois parce que finalement, le marché il avait flip, mais de l'autre bord à cause des élections, puis blablabla, tout ça.
Yeah.
Fait que quand tu te set up, ben, j'ai remarqué ça quand que eux ou les gens qui targetent des IR comme ça, quand ils set up un setup justement pour la semaine, ça te prend juste un revirement de marché d'une seconde.
Ouais, ouais.
Ta semaine est finie.
That's
Dans les traits, tu peux plus
yeah.
rien faire.
That's what I'm telling people. That's what I'm telling people right now these days. Swing trade is really tough, and I respect people that does it, because I mean, if you have like one news that goes against you right now, these days with the pandemic and everything that's going around, I mean, vaccine news. I mean, your trade idea on the based on the swing trade can flip in a second. You know, so I don't know. That's why I really like doing those intraday trade, and you know, that's it.
Puis, tu sais, ça fait quoi? Ça fait 5, 6 mois à peu près là, que je fais du scout sur GU avec vous autres, pis tout, pis GU, pis juste le fait d'aller genre ailleurs, pis d'essayer d'autres choses, toute ta journée est fuck après parce que tu penses à
Ben ouais.
ouais, mais là, matin, ça s'est super passé pour eux autres, fuck, j'étais pas dans la game, j'étais pas là, ou
Ouais.
t'es plus avec la famille, genre, t'es plus avec le crew.
Ouais.
C'est vraiment, vraiment différent de trader après ça. Là, mettons, quand que je parle avec les autres, c'est vraiment différent. Ben, je veux dire, je trade tout seul, mais je veux dire, d'avoir un autre style avec d'autres mondes,
Oh, no, absolutely.
c'est bizarre. Là.
Yeah, on comprend pas ça.
All right, so now looking at GA. GA flipped. Wow, man. GA flipped bearish. So we'll see how it goes, if it's going to reject 500 again. GJ is close bearish. Now it's trying to start to push up. We'll see if we reject 500 again also. But yeah, man, so far no trade on GJ. I mean, I attempt a small trade, like a 1%, and ending up losing like 0.6%. So not bad. And yeah, so price is starting to break 500.
Yeah.
And this is 830, right? So
Moi, j'ai ce range, gros. This is
yeah.
It seems we're heading higher today.
Well, today is a really, really, really good test for patience.
Yeah.
Today, I think today is one of the, man, today is one of the, I don't know if I should say worst or best day for that, but definitely been working on patience today like I never did before. I mean, so far, like usually around like 8:30, I have an idea. I know exactly, okay, perfect. I already took a trade, or I know that I'm taking a trade on the 8:30 candle. But right now, I cannot even say that I'm gonna take a trade on 8:30. It all depends on that candle. If this candle start, pushing hard and close above here, I know I'm gonna enter the next one. But right now, it's just like, I don't know.
Nothing is clear right now.
Yeah, nothing clear. So, I mean, if nothing is clear, it's like going in a boat during a storm. So, I mean, it doesn't make sense, So you stay home and you just like wait for the storm to pass, and after that you jump on the boat, right? So, if it's not clear, it doesn't make sense to jump on the market right now. So, the only thing that was clear for me was GA, and you know what? It reversed. So, it wasn't that clear actually. So maybe it was that 4 hour that you pointed out zone here, over here, but I don't know. So, but again, this price was pushing really hard for a while, so it's normal for price to come down before continuing up, right? So it is what it is. But yeah, ending up losing like less than what I was expected, so that's perfect. Perfectos. Yeah, GG is boring. Man, we are at 41 likes. We're missing 9 to get the 50 mark. So if people didn't smash that like button, do so we can reach that 50 goal. So aiming for 50. Well, I'm sure if you're watching the replay, we're gonna be more than 50 likes. But now during the live stream, let's hit 50 likes. That would be amazing. Just missing 9. Missing 9 likes. So if you're on Zoom and you didn't go like the stream, just go give it a like. Let's reach that 50 mark. And if you're on Zoom and you didn't do it yet, it's time to do it. Don't forget also to subscribe to the channel, so next time I upload content, you'll be notified once I go live. So Friday is actually tomorrow. So tomorrow night we're gonna have a Forex talk over a beer, and after the course is done recording, I'm gonna be releasing more content on YouTube. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a lot more stuff on YouTube. So you want to make sure you subscribe to the channel so you know what's going on, right? All right, take care, buddy. Ciao. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go, DJ. Let's go. Oh. I didn't look at gold today. What's up with gold?
Shit, man. Nothing happened on gold. Nothing.
Man, gold is trending down. You know what? This is my zone from, I think it was Tuesday. Yeah. This zone was from Tuesday.
Sick.
Still respected. Crazy. Wow. Huh. Interesting. Oh, now gold is pushing. Oh yeah, there's news. That's why. Forgot. USD. Oh wow. That's why gold is pushing. Huh. Interesting. So, let's take a look here. Wow, man. What's up, GJ? Finally. Sweet, sweet. Let's go. Continue pushing, baby. So we can take a trade above the zone. So this is a minor here. Right here. Okay, let's adjust our zone a little bit. This is good. Yeah, it's good actually. So that's good. That's good. Yeah, it should be fine. Let's see, let's see. Okay, forgot to remove all my position, damn. Oh, Christopher, I forgot to take my sell and buy position on gold. My sell position got hit, but I closed fast when I saw the news positive, so lost 7 pips. Yeah, man, you gotta be careful because gold, man, if you're not watching it, man, gold can just destroy your bank account in a second. You know, he can wake up like 50 pips, you know, just like without telling anyone. So you gotta be very, very, very careful with gold. I mean, gold is basically a wild horse, man. It's just like you don't jump on a wild horse hands like this. You're gonna be bouncing like all over the place. So GA is coming down. GA and GU is weird because most of the time GU and GJ always have kind of a similar setups, and GJ and GA always like kind of move in the same direction usually. It's not correlated, but most of the time, you know. But again, this is don't use this as a confirmation or anything, but just like now price is coming down on GA, reaching that golden zone once again. Huh. Jesus. Okay. GJ looking good though, finally. Oops. Man, YouTube is quiet. Huh. Yeah, I guess, I mean, quiet because the market is boring, so it doesn't help. But I'm gonna give GJ another 15 minutes, and if not, I'll be closing the stream. Let's see if we can break this. If we can close above that resistance over here. If we can close above this resistance over here.
Gold is savage right now.
Oh yeah? Whoa, shit, boy. Man, some people are making money. Phew, wee. Whoa, oh, holy. Holy. Yeah. And I mean, if you're in a gold buy right now, just you know, secure the bag, man, because it can retrace all the way down. Man. Oh man. Wow. 100 pips. Wow, man. 100 pips. 100 pips move. Jesus. Is that the 5-minute candle? Almost 15 minute basically. Wow. That's crazy, man. Gold is so crazy. Man, 116 pips now. Wow. Okay, so basically where is it going? Oh, to this here? No, we broke it. Wow. Oh, probably gonna, yeah, okay. So yeah, if you're in a gold buy right now, I mean, hopefully you secure profit because this is a strong zone here. 1850. So 1851. Yeah. Wow. Jesus. Can we get GJ to do the same thing? That would be amazing.
We're gonna have the 4-hour close in 15 minutes, so maybe in the next one.
Yeah, that's good though. If this one closed like this, the 4-hour, we just formed support on H4, so we didn't broke previous high on H4 though.
No.
Right into it. H1 looking good though. H1 looking good. Yeah, I think I'll stick with the plan and just wait to be above that zone completely. And maybe that's gonna be for NYC Open. Who knows? Maybe it's not gonna happen. And that's okay too. So no GJ trade. I think that's wow. Man, no GJ trade so far. Only a tiny trade on GA, but that's it. Man, those buys idea are gone. But if we break this support though, GA is gonna be retracing down. If you, just for fun, on 4 hour. Phew, shit. Shit, man. So, technically speaking, based on that fib, probably should retrace all the way down over here on 4 hours before continuing up. If this one closed bearish, of course, because it's not closed yet, right? God damn. What about H1? Shit, H1, same idea. Oh, actually, we have a correction here. Hold on. Okay, so this from here. Oh, right in here. Okay. So.
Trying and buy GU right now.
Oops. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Like 12 pips, take profit.
GJ's having a hard time breaking that resistance. Ok, Yuva. Hey, ça faisait longtemps, Yuva. Voyons voir, Yuva. Oh, there we go. Ça c'est... Oh, USD GPY. Waiting to break and close above the resistance to take paper trade. Yeah, it's in a huge consolidation zone. Yeah, so, I mean, you broke it already. Now just wait for the retest, right? So, UJ usually should give you the retest, you know. It doesn't move crazy fast, UJ, so it's not like GJ, GA, Gold, GU moves quite fast also.
Yeah, TP, brother.
You hit TP already?
Yeah.
Good job, bro.
Fuck, man.
Good job. So what, you did it on the 5 minute? On the break here?
Yeah. US dollar is super weak. Super weak right now.
So that should give strength to the yen though. Huh. Alright. Sorry guys. So 15-minute close a couple minutes ago and close above this resistance with a tiny wick. Now we kind of retesting this zone on 15 minutes. Just waiting for the 30-minute to close above. See if there's anything possible at this point. Right now, I mean, I don't know. We got this traffic here to the left, so it doesn't look so good. GA is continue melting. Wow. If GA close under 9,000, 79,000, yeah, I should continue down for a while.
Man, gold right now.
Again, still pushing?
God.
Still pushing. Whoa. Jeez. Wow, man, what a push on gold. Man, what a push. Bienvenue, Yuva, bienvenue. What a push, man. And people see this and be like, okay, there's money to be made with gold, so I'm gonna trade gold now. So, good luck. Don't come and cry, right? Because gold's gonna take all your money, man. It's okay to trade gold, but you need to spend time backtesting it, you know, and get to learn gold.
Ce qu'on peut backtest en ce moment sur gold, c'est au moment de la news, on a break le M30, mais par le bas. Puis ensuite, on a push.
Ouais.
Ça arrive souvent. Pour vrai, trader les news, faut peut-être la semaine en profit déjà.
Ah ouais,
C'est du fourneau total.
Alright, so I guess GJ is having a little push, so we tapped into that resistance there. So that's good. Finally.
$12 go for the previous one. We got 5 minutes left for it to close.
Yep. Finally broke that high, so I think buy is gonna be good now for GJ. So yep. Yep. That looks.
If we can close above 65, then we could get a weak fee on the daily. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be good. Wow.
Stay pushing.
Wow, that's amazing. And based on H1, if I was taking impulse this week, I would probably have taken this break on H1, but I'm not. So H1 is so strong, man. I can't believe I was trading 15 minutes. Now I trade mostly 30 minutes, and now I'm starting to look a lot at H1. You know, just like seems so more solid, so more cleaner. Probably not the daily because I don't have the patience, but I think 1 hour is pretty decent.
Sur 1 hour, j'aime tout le temps voir comment que la wig va se former pour qu'ensuite le candle se fasse au complet du placard. C'est tout le temps la chose que je check parce que c'est extrêmement rare qu'on a des candles without wig
Ouais, non, absolument. Absolument, on en a parlé, je pense que c'est mardi, puis c'est effectivement. So there's 2 minutes and a half left.
It would be great if we can close below.
Oh yeah, that would be amazing. You know, a last minute push, boom, close right here.
Yeah, but then you have the risk of the 4-hour new down wick.
Yeah.
So if we can close like this, do the down wick.
Yeah, we come down, create a down wick.
Yeah,
When we
do the
break the
down
high,
wick
we
break,
take the
then
entry.
you get over here and
Yeah.
flip the range.
Yeah.
That would
So
be perfect.
yeah, that would be the perfect timing. It's gonna be NYC Open. So yeah, that would be perfect. Oh, look at this. Still
It's pushing
pushing.
and pushing and pushing.
Yep. Oh, look at this. We're gonna get it.
Yeah.
Oh man, look at this. We're gonna get it. Shit, but we need a tiny wick at least. Don't give me a no top wick, please. You know? Please. Here we go. Nice. Shit, what a push. GJ is on the fire finally. Holy Jesus. Took 4 hours to do that.
It's crazy, man.
Wow.
It's non-stop.
Keep going, baby. Okay, so let's see.
Yeah, but where are you gonna put your stop?
I'm gonna wait for that bottom wick to form, and I'll place it at the bottom of that wick, or I'm gonna place a fixed 15 stop loss.
Well, yeah, we can place 54 is the previous 15-minute low.
But with move like that, you need to manage your risk with 5 minutes or something like that.
Yeah.
Wow, baby! Now we're talking. Now we are in dreamland. But there's 15 seconds left to form a wick, so please.
It's gonna create it.
There we go. There we go. Awesome. So now what I'm looking at is I want the next candle to start coming down, create a bottom wick, and when we're gonna break the high, I'm gonna enter. So if it start breaking first, I don't like it. So I'll wait. So I snapped one entry, but I would like to grab another entry, please. There we go. Can I grab another one, please? Or you're just gonna go to the roof? Looks like I'm not gonna be able to grab another entry. Wow. GG is gone.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh wow. GJ is gone. Already 9 pips. Holy moly. All done here. Finally. There we go, GJ. Let's go. I don't even put my... I didn't even put my partial TP yet. Just like...
I didn't enter, man.
You didn't enter?
No, I was waiting for a 65 to touch it at least.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, man. I mean, this was a very small wick for a 4-hour.
I was like, I was 1 pip shy from my partial TP at 11 pips. God damn. Come on, let's do it.
You didn't took anything at 81.
The what?
81. You didn't took anything?
No, I didn't took anything. I forgot to place my partial TP, so I placed at 11 pips. So it's set at 832 right now.
Yeah, this is gonna go to 85 at least. It has too much force right now.
Oh yeah.
Too strong.
Oh yeah, it's gonna fill that wick.
Yeah. Daily wick for sure.
Here we go, boy. Coming up. Really close.
Yeah, 82 already.
Come on, baby. Let's do it. Oh, I'm so close.
Right.
I'm on it. I'm on it. Ah, come on. Come on, baby. I'm missing 0.1. Here we go, baby. This is how we do it. Yeah, baby. Hell yeah. Took 4 hours to do that. Too bad I only had 2 entries, though.
I at least had 2. And it took 8.
That was perfect. Awesome, man. Oh, second partial TP just hit at 85. That's amazing. Thank you very much. And yeah, pretty cool.
I guess that was the day.
Yeah, that was it, man. That was it.
I guess.
Oh, wow, man. Phew. Wow. Thank you, GJ. Oh, holy. Yeah, baby. Look at this runner going.
Make it go to 143, yeah?
Look at this runner going. Holy. Let's go, runner. 17 pips. There we go. Now we're talking. Here we go, baby. Oh, let's me remove my full TP. Hold on, wait a second. Because I didn't actually place my full TP. I just like, I placed the line like way above. I was just like, I was not expecting this. But yeah, let's target 143.
We had 98 something.
Yeah, exactly. I'm actually at 98. Exactly on it.
Yeah, just in case,
Yeah, it's...
We were talking about 200 pips on gold.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna close another half here. Just to make sure. But yeah, man. Here we go. Let's do it. Man, oh man. Lost 0.6% on that GA trade and now just made like 8.9. So that's pretty good. So yeah. Oh man, that's a good thing I closed 50% right there. I mean, I closed 50% at like, where was it? It was right here. Closed 50% at 142,915. So that's good. So at this point, I got a tiny runner running. And let's do it. All right. So, man. Haha. Yeah, baby. So I think hopefully you guys grabbed that with us. And if you did, don't forget to smash that like button. I mean, we have 43 likes. We're missing 7. Missing 7 to the 50 mark. Come on. Let's TP the likes. Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes. Let's move my stop into profit. There at break even. But I just don't like to see... I just always move it a little tiny thing in profit. Just, I don't know, just a better feeling. Yeah, an entire day of waiting. Damn, yeah. You're right, Karen. Whew, Yo, go dog. Yeah. That was pretty good. I think that was good.
Bon, ben, je m'en vais journaliser ça.
What?
Take care, guys. Take care.
Take care, buddy. Take care. So yeah, thank you for tuning in, guys. Now it's time to go to work. So
Ciao, boy.
profit is done. Thank you very much. And I'll see you tomorrow at Forex Talk Over Beer. Je vous vois demain, Forex Talk Over Beer. Merci beaucoup d'avoir été là. Donc, en espérant que vous avez eu ce trade-là, si vous l'avez eu, partagez ça sur les réseaux sociaux. So if you grab that trade with us, share that on social media with us, and I will reshare it. So thank you very much. Have yourself an amazing day.
Take care, Sacha.
Take care, guys.